God have mercy. Anyway, I call this is tell us I go down the road, go.
So you're not pulling the window in the hot. You don't want to little fresh in here.
Hello.
The natural here
Hello.
at the door.
Me if you pull on the window, right?
Yes.
For what? For another man jump through it again?
No man not jump through it.
And for you jump through it? You remember what me catch you do the last time at the window? Eh? Cock up, put your backside out there so. And the man turn up and crate out there. He man should have broke his neck. Yeah, idiot. What kind of embarrassing? Me can't do tell me sister them sitting here. What kind of embarrassing thing you do? Eh? You get expelled out of school. Can't go back to high school again. You try to put in our high school. But boy, you gone through the gate. We can't get you back. We can't get you back. We don't have the strength there. You need to behave yourself.
So now behave myself.
Every minute is a different man. You're 15, you know? What else you want on this earth? Huh? Me understand that me worthless, but me try to be a better man. Me are sick because of you. Me out there how much o'clock at night time and mildew I try hustle money. Me can't get no money. Me I sell peanuts, it's still now work because people look for me and tell me say they not buy one pack of peanuts for $300. And you there, I glow the time. Instead, you see money when you take from the man, they do here and put on more tattoo and put on more piercings. You could have used it to buy food in there. Me, I have to go walk. You know, go try to get that dollar to give you something to eat. You tell me say you want to go for the road, right? Me not allow you to go for the road, but me I tell you say, please, me know say you're bad already. Try to be good today. You understand?
Yeah.
Don't make your name call for nothing bad. What me say?
Don't make my name call for nothing bad.
Right. Because people out the road with things that we still have. No, still, because me was not a careless father. You put me to this. You put me to this. Because of company. You see that little black girl who always walk up and down with it. Anytime they eye bucket. If I go white when I done with him, I go talk to his sister when I see his sister, you know. I go and talk to his sister because you see that girl go put in that trouble. Go on before me, because you better reach home before me. Boy, I don't know what go on in this life here.
Sister. What problem? I'm good on your auntie. Come over. I'm going to look for you. So you screen job, so? Free body man, you all? No. So you can up so warm? No. Oh, go on, auntie. Don't take too long. Yeah. Mommy, can I go take a walk, please? Can I go take a walk?
You have money for you? So you see people that walk on the road without money?
But they are going to get money.
Okay, so where you want to go on the road with you?
I want to go to the Burger King.
You sure it's a Burger King you go?
Yes, honey.
Ali, Burger King spelled different from KFC. KFC spelled different from McDonald's and Wendy's and something. The way you say they go?
Burger King.
Burger King. Make sure say a Burger King you go.
Mommy, a Burger King I go for two.
You understand me?
Yes.
And when you dey walk on the road, please me dey begin in the name of Jesus. Don't stop with nobody. Because you see them friend there where you and them, they in the same class. Where they back of the class? Same grade you know? Same class. You see how them behaving there? Me no need nobody to come to me and they complain say you disrespect them on road and you they cuss bad word and they go on with yourself. You understand?
Sorry.
Anytime you pass anybody that is older than you on the street, elderly people may chat, All if a young somebody, as long as they older than you. Hi, morning. Hello, good afternoon, miss or sir. You understand?
Yes, man.
Me no want you disrespect nobody. You understand me?
Yes,
Me
man.
no want nobody come they complain say you're the turn up on the bus park with man and all kind of sitting in a uniform or out of uniform.
But mommy, me never ever stand up with a bus
Me
park.
never say you do it. Me just a tell you when me no want you to do when you need to listen. That mean you know to do it no at all. Because ideas can build up. And then you start follow a friend and do it because company always lead other kids astray. Not every company. It depends on the type of friend you keep. So guess what? Remember say me warn you for a long time. Stop keep one type of friend. Me not say you can't talk to people, but be careful of the friend them where you keep. You understand? Be careful of what?
Friend, let me keep.
Okay. And me no want you keep no dunce friend. Cause then we make your grade drop. Other day the principal call me and tell me say you look like you had pick up and you have the potential and you pass the test. So they go put you up on honor roll. So you need to stay at the level there or go up further. You don't need to drop. Else, you know what go happen. Anyway, me give you one money. See it? Want go buy the burger. And make sure you say, you know, stop nowhere idle with nobody and a little boy on the road they call after you too because your body cock up in your ear and the breast gone up. So you hear what me say?
Yes,
And me will ring off your ears. Go on.
Alright.
And me come back in the yard and I see you. Me I go out there so go talk to one of my friend them and make sure you reach here back before me. I'm serious. When I come back, wash up the plate them. Make sure you spread up your bed.
Yeah, there. Because she a go. Auntie. No man, me forgot check this because them a get a bad.
So yeah, girl. We're about to go later, girl. You know, so we have to come out and everything.
Friend.
Hey, friend, wagwan, girl.
You have to tell my mother say a Burger King me a go.
Yeah. This time we have to like say we have a party to go later. And everything.
No, come
Go by
she
yourself.
for jiggle up your body.
No, you know the girl know for dance. You know for dance. You know for dance. She don't know for dance. We have to teach her, girl.
So I
Teach her.
just said jiggle up your body, my girl.
So now, you see with that party, girl, you hear the bad song. You all your own shit, girl.
Yeah.
Unch your back. Unch like up, down. Up, down, yeah. So any side you hear, you have to do up your wine and them thing. They wine up your body, feel the vibe. So yeah, if you buy a room and them thing, they don't think, girl, you smoke.
Oh yeah, mama daddy give me money. Come tell us me I can Burger King so we go buy.
So we can use some money there. But when you spend it by rum, what should you ask for a burger there?
Tell us me name it a road. My Burger King.
Oh, your mother not find out, so you buy it
Yeah,
now.
she not find out.
Make sure. Because later we want to come out, so we want to mash up the place.
So, teach me how to jiggle up my body, no?
Say you feel my body, my mom don't ask for share, girl. I share want share me, you know that already, you know, girl. So yeah, you can do unch it. You know for that, so we not have to explain nothing too tough. They can't know for that. So just she know we have to teach the good thing. So yeah. Anyways, maybe I feel boring. We not close.
Yeah, we try out here keep.
Down the lane, run a one part in our yard.
On the first CM yard, we did a party last time.
Me don't know. Remember me never got party. I first me I got party.
How she? Yeah. How you say that guy again? Maybe that girl and auntie. But auntie yard there. Don't know so. So you type yourself with friend our company?
How this?
I'm my sister.
Yeah.
Come up here, so. Where you say that go? So you type yourself with friend our company? They wind up your body like you come like a hookworm. You need to wind up. Yeah, this up a friend but
hookworm.
Mr. Who you? So don't really pick me. I will box off your head. Box off over head. You're mad. Your mother want to You're mad. Your mother want to you know. How you know my mother? I don't know you. I see all your mother, I see all your father.
My father did nothing.
You know nothing?
No.
You come I should have mentioned it like I should know my mother.
Come on, you see, girl. Come now, what can I kill this year?
How far them are bad getting pitney here? How far them are all pitney here with they run up and down on the road? Don't know no parents. I couldn't know nothing to do a phone no yard. You know the bad breed picnic them, you know. Ghetto picnic them, bad getting picnic. Yes.
Candy, good morning.
What you just say?
Good morning, Auntie Candy. Say, remember that I threw me ignorant in the morning.
Okay.
You don't want to know, say me pass your daughter up the road, a wine and a jiggle up her body.
Printo, WhatsApp video.
And you say you're Christian. Because that's what I have. I broke up my little sister. How my little sister that went up her body?
My daughter.
Yes,
I jiggle up on road.
Yes.
And they broke out for your sister.
And you have all your brother and daughter up there too, you know. You better warn them when I come and face it with me in the morning, you know.
My brother daughter.
Yes, two of them up there, they wind up them by like a hookworm.
So my niece and my daughter, they up the road?
Up the road and wind up themselves. Like fixing them body like they're not nothing they hard to do.
That's true, you talk?
Hello. You know see my sister just run past right or so. I whap her, you know, because I send her out.
Your sister?
Yes. I whap her, see them here too.
So me know you so long, I mean.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Hi, mommy. You look as if never see your father, you know. But I know your auntie will deal with it properly. I can't go about my business. But one them, you know, come in, one them I follow up my sister, you know. Come in, one them broke up my sister. I school my sister for go. You hear me, I say? One them for me to please.
Thank you very much
yes.
for telling me. Where are you coming from?
Church. I would there try to learn to do sign language and she see me.
Where you come from?
Church.
Turn around.
Oh, me don't know. Shut up.
Then, where are they? Look, wait. You don't have no church clothes?
Yes, mommy.
So church keep today there on Friday?
Yes,
and on Saturday and Sunday?
Friday, every day.
Every day? So what to your church clothes them when me buy for you?
In our house, mommy. I told me about the plan to go.
You not plan to go away?
Church.
So why you look over there, so? You, come around here, so. When me see my brother, me have to go talk to him about you. You're not supposed to know the girl will just come right here, so.
Yeah, we know why.
What you hope this so they do?
Sign language. I will see her come and she talk about party and jiggle up body and all that. I see her sister come with stick.
And I beat her with pride, no?
Liquid too. So
How much you liquid our face?
Liquid in our face?
We.
Can't you your teacher and sister
My niece and my daughter. Oh. Wait, hold on. Una don't have nothing.
No.
She just soon want licking out her face.
She thinks
You not have tell lie.
No, she think her sister learn dance with me. But on a dance, she come out, she a jiggle up her body.
So you did up there so I jiggle up?
No, they learn sign language.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
You realize what you just said to me? You did up there so how I?
Sign language.
Sign language.
Yeah.
Which part?
Up there so.
Up there so. Up there so how?
Right up the road.
Come here. You see you? You start tell lie. First you tell me say a church. Hey,
go
little
church
girl.
and me come back.
A matter of fact, when you left out of the yard, the money when you ask me for, where you tell me say when they go?
Burger King.
Okay. And Burger King they up there so now and nobody in the town and the grill. I up there so there. I me never know so one church they up there so. So you broke out now. Don't answer me like that.
No money.
Oh, you me ain't no size. I saw me grow you.
No money.
If you walk up and down pan road and jiggle up kin and about sign language, you think you can fool me? You feel say me an idiot? Okay, when me go, me will deal with you, because you don't know say you know.
My sister, how I go on,
You see, true, me no want bust her ass and send her home to you.
Where she go?
Me here say they up on the road up there so, they wind up, they jiggle up and they go on with themselves and a skin out and a brawl out. And they look man too. One if I sit me and say then they go along with up on the road.
Come here, sir.
After this, I want you to tell me about in the Burger King.
I like the girl I tell.
What me say to you, say?
Kayla not tell no lie on her. Me know Kayla long
You
time.
the pan road that jiggle up for free. We not tell you only a jiggle up if you have money. They come, make sure that.
What you tell the little girl say?
You know, she gone through the road already. He put on piercings, so we have to make money. My sister, yeah.
You is a idiot. You is a
I
idiot.
mom go with for what?
Should have slapped in your eyelash with it.
He done gone through the gate.
Which
We can't
gate?
do nothing.
You
We
cannot do that to me, niece. I'll do what you pick me. She's a girl child. Oh, you feel allow the little girl on the road. Okay, no wonder why our cousin Jesus Christ tricked me and tell me how she got Burger King for plan. And gone up in a music club then there somewhere up the road, they jiggle and it but they can't trick me about sign language.
What money you wanna get?
Yeah. Hold on.
Huh?
Your father, God forgive me, man, me and your brother, but we are asking little girl them.
Me not identify you again. Me not identify you. Every time I come down there, me hide things from you. You see that little girl there? In can man in my house so much time in a row. In virginity gone already. Me can't do nothing again more than just collect.
Me need to talk to you. Yeah?
Me can't do nothing more than collect.
So you sell out your daughter?
I don't sell me, I sell him.
To
Don't
man.
do not say that. Me not sell her. She have her man, them a come on me yard at night time and I see them through window.
And you uphold with this little girl for carry man in your place as a daddy? Why you never
Me
report
uphold
your
you.
station if she not listen to you? Why you glad for see she carrying the man them for you collect money from her?
I
So you
be-
want she sell her body if you come mind you big old grey tone dirty thinking
I
like you
be-
before you go look walk.
Look,
Some broke out my knees. Oh.
How much time I call police for you? How much time I call police for you and when police ain't look for
She
you
not
and say,
obligated to you if you answer them the kind of question they in front of so much crowd, you know. No, not because you're daddy. No.
No, you don't
Me no
understand
business
what I
for your
want. You don't
daddy.
understand what I want.
Me no care.
Me say too, I say, my daughter, sit there, you fall out of school. Please, me I beg you. Just stay on the right track with the
Why she fall out of school?
Eh? Your daughter want next one again. The principal and
So,
him. The principal
You know
and
about
him.
it. So she stopped going to school.
The principal
You
then
see you? You have a bus
then
ticket.
catch her with the principal in the car.
Bunky. That's a lie.
So
That's a
she
lie.
then did that about?
Yes, the principal will get fired.
The little girl will then catch with the principal. Jesus Christ.
Em,
You
ba-
sure say she...
Me say, I saw me go for school. I
I
shame.
know parents still like pan
Me
picking, you know,
say-
I am my brother. What you they say to me about my niece? That's true?
Me ever tell her a lie?
Enough time.
The only lie me tell her when me tell her say she a behave good. She
No,
not
I
behave
will if
good.
a lie you tell me. Right now, me no know if you believe her. Me never say she not do it. But me no know if you believe if she do it for true. Why this a little girl out there they care so much money in your house and you feel nice and pleased through your collect?
When you go in our room, you ever go over me yard and go in our room, you know, see me batten up the window. Me take out the window and batten it up. I put a ply there.
Why, she a prisoner?
She a jump through it.
Achu your father later?
I lie, my friend, eh?
So,
Look for me and tell me say me a liar.
I lie, tell.
No, why you look
hold
up
on,
so?
hold on. How old are you? Me forgot to know age. Can't you grow up so fast for me?
15. Only 15, not even 16 and I must
But you know,
that.
say I want dirty man do papa all the way, my brother. Or you feel have 15-year-old as your own child. Then I see you that do somebody else pick me.
Do I?
15-year-old and they can, and you just statue to your mouth and me say so.
Me never
They
say me
can
carry
want it for money in the
Me
but you
say,
know business cause you the collect.
You know, listen good enough, my sister. Me say, I can't man in my house, that's why I nail up the
Yes,
window.
and you doing business, don't get it twisted. Me hear where you say me not dumb.
Alright.
You say it make you dey collect money, you know business cause she done school. Where the look
No.
at where they talk say?
No, listen. Him say,
You know the police all lock you up.
Listen what she say. And you go
And
understand
you first them all lock up before the man them when she are carrying it because you are invigilate for do it. Because you don't want to look no work, you know. Every day they are my yard I beg money, you know. You don't want to look no work, you know. Every day you come on my yard, me broke my sister. Me broke you know, no money can give me because
Why me come on your yard and beg your money? Tell them why me come on your yard and beg your money.
me if you tell them
Yeah.
because you don't like to work. And you
No.
love freeness. I
No.
like how you always tell you, listen, let me tell you something. You see you better stop what you do. Because you run with the little
mother.
girl mother. You run with the little girl mother because you are jiggle where you know left off of the bridge. Every night you dey on bridge and look, girl. And all the girl them where they look. Instead of you make them give you money, cause then come down from over so. You are grown and a cut
You know
people
why
yard.
me-
And the money where you figure she and send her to school, you take her by front. Hey,
Me tell you why we don't know him
you
mother.
see you?
Him mother do the same to what she a do right now.
Our mother.
Yes. That's why me front of the mama.
So you are jiggle and the mama. Look here. So hold on there.
She get the
No, she can't
get
stay
the
with you
blood.
no more, Papa. Me have to go take my niece from you.
All right. See, it doesn't mean I'm
No, she
good.
can't stay with you no more, else police are going to come in your yard, come take her out there, you go get locked up.
Alright, man, I'll make she stay with you now. And you go see.
Why you run with the mother? You can't protect her?
Oh.
You can't take care of her?
We ain't gone through the gate. We can't
So
take care of them.
when she depend on
Keep
her...
on gone through the gate.
Look here, she's at the age of 15. She must depend on her menstrual already. So how is stay free and is letting them go? What you know about her?
Me buy,
You sure say she not
listen,
pregnant?
Me buy 6-pack of stay free. You know. Watch how the little girl wicked. She wicked. The girl take them out one every day, right? So me look on them and I say, no, sir, something not right. One stay free for the whole day. Eh? You know, must full. One mind say, go open up the garbage bag and search to spot them. Because it's me, a man like this. You know. Me like to see what I go on. When me search to spot them, what? White, no.
So you walk on search pad. Where you fi search, you not search. Are your data,
No.
privacy,
No,
you gone in a gang search. Before you take your stupid tongue and just chat say she a care 1 million money in her house. And before you care go a doctor.
Shut them out. If some parents they do that, they don't know so them pick their breed. But not only that, and a breed she a breed. Guess what the girl do? Me don't know which pharmacy selling mini grinder.
Girl, I call her girl. What kind of father like you? I say you talk to her over there. That's what the name of them, the downtown have your name all over the place. So you is not a daddy. You is not a daddy. You is a sperm donor. Them all I wonder if she a jacket. Cause you sure say for your pitney? Me I wonder if I'm a niece because why you they treat her like this? What is the problem?
Yeah, look there. Just look,
girl,
man,
look there.
Look.
And that you grew her up in a batty rider, belly skin, G-string and French cut. And flip-flop.
Me buy-
And fi come pan road,
me
come
buy
expose
bingo
herself.
bag.
That's why the big man them a look her.
You know the normal jazz when you used to wear when you're younger. The panty that my mommy used to buy you.
Yeah.
The girl take them dash way.
Why you dash with those kind of drawers?
But mesh panty and G-string is good for her. Come on her too. Him maga, who me don't know if fit in a G-string. They don't know if G-string a body cleaner.
Jesus
When you hook
Christ.
up in your behind and you walk, so you walk out, you shit them out of your body. I don't understand how
But you
Jamaican...
can buy rag and proper soap and give her make she bathe. You know, hygiene and
Mr.
she a girl
people-
child make she take care of herself properly. No wonder why she smells so a long time she not bathe. Why you have her in a them dirty clothes up on the road? And it look like she not have no underwear. What? Look there, no Brazil, nothing. What is the problem?
I
You
don't buy
your
that.
daughter, you fi take care. And no matter. Wait,
I don't buy that.
You mean I know you buy this? Where she get it from?
You will never see me buy no short things, you know.
So at the man them where they tell me by Jesus Christ. So, look here, Papa, you go have to stop this over your yard. You can't have your daughter there and they make 1 million man they come there to her and then because you they collect money, it come like nothing to you. You need to stop it. It's me I call police for you.
Let me ask you a question. You see she...
No point for my daughter.
You
Not
see
because
she-
of your niece. Not do it. Not do it. Me know say she just do something wrong, but me I go school her about it because she know say she
I
never.
have something to tell you about she, but not today. Come, just your ass where you at. I'm going to have a keep her for me.
Come.
My sister more strict, but not strict enough. But stay with her. But carry down in clothes and come, carry her over. Because you see me I back down the whole house. When me done back down the whole house, she can come back home.
You
Because
see you know
look
the
like
reason
she-
why she a do this? Kids learn off a parent. You are carrying 1 million idiot girl in at the house. So she thinks she big enough for carrying 1 million
So
man.
you
Yes,
me,
you?
so
You
you me
think-
a carrying woman if you do that?
And you then make she think that she have right to do it
All
because
right.
you not grow the right way.
All right, she go and see. Go and see. She going to fail you.
Stand up right here, sir. Make sure. So wait. Kayla, tell me. I don't like she a tell. What me say?
Make sure.
Because if somebody else tell me, looking at me, I not run no joke with you. Say a true Kayla they talk, me go bust your ass. Because I know so me grow you. You gonna make everybody in the little area here say you this and here say you that. And have your name all over the place like for everybody else. Eh? Don't shake your head for me.
No, mommy.
Listen to me, my niece. You see them complain there where your father they say out of your head about you. please me they ask you, if you really take your man in at the house at the age of 15, a problem. You can get pregnant, you can catch disease. And them your man nowadays, especially when they're enough older than you. You see, two you're young and they know so then we get themselves in a problem. They not go own it. They might all when they know so then do it. They might tell you plain and straight, if you call me name, me unalive you. If you call me name, me dismantle your family them or whatever. I mean know you know why your family them nothing wrong for happen to them. So me know you go keep your secret, but when me tell you something, make sure say you're not pregnant. Don't shake your head off for me. If I slap you today, cause then there's something the way your father they talk about you. You're too young for them, there's something they go on in your life already. Why una run on nobody like a gas station? Eh? Why? Look how you're pretty and you're nice. Eh? You can't wait for your time. What is wrong with you? Right now, I'm afraid to take you in the house with me. Because I don't want you to lead your cousin astray. Although I don't know what you do behind my back, so I can't swear for you. But me and your backside, a hell and powder house with the belt in there. Because you look like you not listen. When you're behind my back, you do what you want to do, but I don't say go. Anyway, you know why? I'm going to make you go inside here so go sleep. You need to cut out sex before time. You understand? Baby not wearing. And you're not ready for no baby yet. At school you go back. So if your father no plan to send you back to no school, me I go take up in my hand and send you back to school. Because you know look good. 15-year-old and your name all over the place. Like a pepper light. Just a wink so. Everybody know about you. You take it for joke. It's sad. You not reach nowhere yet and your name a ring all over the place with Tom, Dick and Harry. Look here. Come go in and find something give her to eat. And hello. Make sure, let me smell you. Because when they up there say, you know, master, I told me no want to shame me in front of them, no, because me tell you the truth, you know. You know, your father tell me all yesterday when me bucking down the road, say you don't want to bathe. Me don't know why you don't want to bathe. You're a nice girl. Look how you're pretty. People will smell you. You don't know about hygiene, your father not teach you. Before you poop around with your mama, your mother never teach you until you say you have to bathe and take care of yourself. Eh? And look here. You see them clothes where they put on and expose yourself to the devil and the world? Eh? Be careful. You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Don't answer me now, yes. Yes, auntie. Go on in my house and go bathe and find something to eat. And me no want no boy come on me yard come call you. Yes, me go dash piss in their face. And me serious. Clean up in the house, Leah. Don't bother with doing you know, man. And then me have one dirty brother they in so confused.
Sis. You know me tell you one lie yesterday. Me can't go shop. I want to go buy one juice because none of there.
Alright, I'm buying one bottle of water because use the last water. Wash up this plate. And why every time you come out here, you hunk up when you talk to me? Nah, near me, no? You know, say me nah near me. Free my body. You come out here, you hunk up. Man, no do that. Put it on your side.
Boy, you say me no fi hunk up. Me no hunk up.
When you come out here, hunk up like this. Sister, we can't go shop buy something. Me nah eat here. You come out here, say, sister, me can I go to shop? Go on and shop. If you say shop, you go. If you not shop, you go, me I go know.
Alright.
You say you go shop and come back. Don't take too long.
Alright.
Yeah, baby. Just calm down in there, man. Me go down to my sister yard and give me $300. Just calm down in there. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, no problem. Don't worry about that. My daughter on their yard again. Yeah, man, I left you with my sister. Yes. I'll talk to you. Hold on, let me talk to you. I'll look at gym bag. Yeah, I'll look at gym bag and see the top there. Yeah. All right.
How we are call Jing Bang see?
What's your problem?
Me I beg you $100.
Don't forget money to give from. Me don't give you to put the money, you're bright. Look at girl. Let me ask you a question.
Sir, you know I said when I like you.
All your asses. Like means one, but getting means not one. We tell you that is not an option. Let me tell you something. And you, I broke up my daughter and you know, lamb one buck your sister. Anywhere I see your sister, me I go cuss out your sister if you keep you off the road, you know. Because it's nothing but a prostitute. Because it's where you come on, no? I see anything with that, I do the same thing what you do. So you broke her out. And you make she left school.
Me, she left school, but me not left school are two different in that.
Show you the type of friend I wanna be. What you do for road now, a big money? You know a sister? Your sister not have money?
Me I ask you, me need to talk about sister.
Just you look at Marga's quick body go up there so. Go on. Go on where you go. Go on.
You pay too.
Go on.
Yo, lum.
Favor them look up. All your body black and favor them look up. God. Put on my sister, yeah, man. Because I don't know what kind of body they have. Them body look up here so different than the body well extra black. Favor. Oh, just remember now if you want them black old pot there. Oh, Lord.
Young father.
Yeah?
You know, better ring my father, man.
Oh, no, nigga. What you call? Oh, Lord have mercy, man. These here are... Want a car, man.
No, like mama tell you, I walk with you, man.
Oh, God. Woo. Oh,
So really, I'm putting badness in the phone, but...
So, yeah, man.
Respect still, you know.
So, yeah, man,
Like,
sir.
a good you, if you don't buy a drink for them there, my father.
Don't worry, then, man. We can buy more than a drink. So, you know what I say? Anytime I see you again, we sit and have a drink. But right now, me I go for my sister and drop off her money to my daughter and then hit to
So,
the
yeah, for
road.
the man, because I want to little be me, I'll check it and I'll see you seen.
All right, no problem.
Want to look about something to eat already?
Yes, mom.
Why you never press your shorts?
Mommy, too me can't have that.
So no iron no in the house again?
Yeah.
No iron no in there. So you can iron your clothes and make it look properly. Properly dressed. You feel look nice. Well attired. Listen. Me need you fi all when I yard clothes. Me need you fi press your clothes and make you look nice. Like a nice little young girl. Practice become perfect. Where you care yourself when you're little so you're tan when you're big. So you go practice to be a clean and decent, tidy little girl. So you grow up in a house. So when you get big and you go and pay your own and live with no husband, this go for you too, you know. You smiley. Listen to me. Don't chew your mouth while I'm talking. You hear me I say?
Yes.
Okay. No, yes me. Yes, auntie.
Yes, auntie.
Me can't say your father no teach you no manners. Listen to me now. Me love, you know, say from your little baby, me call you Leah. But me know your right name is Ali. And I make you the name, I know your papa. So me call you anything me feel like Ali, Leah, anyone. Excuse me 1 minute, please. Me I talk to my niece and my daughter. So nobody can interrupt me right now because me need to talk to them. Listen to me. You see a man in time, you know this long time, you know. But me no know about you, you know, because your papa you used to stay with. Listen. A man in... Alright, leave her alone. Yeah. Me no tap put on no mouth and the little pitney them. Not because for no pitney, no help turn them down too. Before you pray for your pitney, you come in an argument and not even know what me I talk about. And that with you, boy. The one brother when me have, you always agree with me. Listen to me now. Yes, when you wake up a morning time, when you get up and tidy up on the room, spread up on the bed, you know already, you know, so you need to tell her, you know. Yes, you understand? Anything you use, wash it out back. Clean as you go. Sweep out the place, spread up on the bed, and don't keep one sheet on the bed for 3 weeks. You hear me?
Yes, auntie.
Come in know your dirty brother Tan. Before he go rent, that's where he live. And me used to stay with nasty, yeah? And when he done in the put it, I'll be turn up this, you're lucky. Me no want you take up in nasty style. Me no know what your mother and him have, but he tell me one long bag of story. But a 2 story, judge I listen to no one. So me not pay no mind. Me know in lie already, I'll do my brother. Anyway, you wanna eat something for morning?
Yes.
You eat anything?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. So, me can see someone look nice and bathe and look how you look nice and fresh and look here now. You see it? You see when people bathe out there and look how you bathe and look nice and fresh. That's how me want you to look.
So when in the yard in the bed?
She said no water in the yard all the while. You send her go a river with one little dirty paint pan to catch water. And when she come with you, use the flush toilet. Why pick me for baby? He's a wicked man. Anyway, look on her. You see she nice and clean?
Alright, that's why I borrow this. Make it serve her.
You borrow this?
Borrow it.
And if you serve her?
Right.
For how long?
Huh? About a month. Or more. It can be all more too.
God, just bear me witness, Father God. Me not even said them to bear me witness. Father God, bear me witness how much money in care up here and say him borrow it. Because I know him a liar, didn't fee money. Me know his style. See it there? $300 and if you serve her, if you what?
Month and a half.
Nobody want month again. Yes. Okay. Yes, you hear
You
him?
can get my $45,000 in a go street. Yeah. All right, no problem. See, I'm gonna meet me, Cathy.
Yes, me know.
Huh?
And me a bet say, you dey go give her more money than your own a child. But no worry yourself, no papa, because she will never hungry. As long as God put food in her for me house, my niece not hungry, neither me pick me.
So,
I mean, when you come here, they come sorry for nobody here, so I carry $300 come, like this can support her. Remember, say me I go send her back to school.
me saying, girl, go back in the no
She a go back to one school.
Hard
You
school.
and nobody cannot stop that. In the name of Jesus, she going back to
Government
school.
stop it at high school. You have to go send him go. Government don't want him back in the no high school because his reputation is bad. When you lead on with a, you see a boy there, you see if I want to hold him, I'll squeeze on the life one time.
Go on, your girl a call you. Go on, me a talk to them.
I'll be
Go
back.
on. Go on.
Hey.
Try again.
Don't go for me yard because it's locked. Because of that thing, don't make him come out to your eyesight. Watch her. Watch her. You see, all I want to remember, say me have something to tell about her. But
Tell
not yet.
Win. Tell Win now.
Your woman a call you. Leave them. Me talk to them. Go
I
on.
will talk to you.
I feel money, you know. I feel money and borrow it. But your papa liar, your father make you go astray. And your mother is a worthless mother. Why she leave you at a tender age and go and sell front? Why your mother do something like that? It better she did come to me and ask me to make you stay down here for a long time. You'd have go to school. And you'd have more brighter, you'd have more education. But you, your worthless papa don't care about you, and your mama coming like a jankro. She's an evil woman. She ain't fear no pick me. I should have me have you. But I just saw you go anyway. I go give you this for you keep as your pocket money. Okay. Here what you go do with it now. I go put money on this. Me I go put more money on this and buy more groceries so you can have things in the house to eat and use clean up the place and everything. That means you no hungry. But you see this? You go take it and don't waste it. You go buy a little roll-on. You know your little roll-on? Yeah. One little lotion. Buy one little shampoo and have your own things them from you are this age. That means when you're big, you know, so you have your own things and don't use all people things because you have them in a problem. And you know, feel like beg. You better you be the giver. You understand?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, so keep that. Alright, maybe give you money later. But me I go put money on this and buy some grocery. Anyway, me no want to see you back in the dirty slippers there unless you wash it. You hear what me say? Don't shake your head off for me. Because I don't understand. Look on her slippers how nice and clean. Look how she beard and look good. Yes, your beard and your clothes look nice, but your slippers dirty. Don't go back on the street like that. You hear me? Because the other day, me go down the road, you know, and me say, Ruth tell me something about her daughter. How she dey a man, and how she dey carry herself big and nasty. That she should say, people, they watch people on the road. They not mind them business, you know. So now if you go learn to carry yourself nice and decent and clean and respectful on the street. You hear me?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'm not going back in my house because I don't want to think you can use your head for me and take on yourself and take time squeeze you out of your yard. Especially how you get money. You're trying to done it before time. Remember if you buy a little roller and a little something them. Yeah, take it problem, you know.
Oh, auntie, girl, come in, me have an idea.
We're not up to tell me now.
Girl, see I call auntie gone now. I'm gonna think auntie I come back for now, you know. Auntie I come back for now. So cause she give me money there and she tell me to buy up some things.
With money?
Give me, she give me money. So now me I got my boyfriend. I want to come with me. Me and you, girl. Remember me and you now, you know.
My mother strict. And
She
once
not-
my mother know enough people on the road, they might go see her and they might go tell her like last time.
She not have to know whether my boyfriend have food, he have rum, he have every little thing we want. Him drive, so I can just call him, make him pick me up right there from nobody not go see me no tall.
Alright, come on, show me eat the food, you know.
Oh, come.
Let me eat the food. tired, see?
Don't bother discriminate, my man. Babes,
How do you?
there. What else I do? Think that on my yard.
No, mommy, what else I go and take in a cold breeze?
So every day I out there
Come
taking
down.
cool breeze. You eat for morning?
I mean,
Okay, what you eat?
I'm going to buy one food then.
And you make you buy something for me.
Girl, what
So
time me say? A chicken tip me?
You know.
What say food I go there?
Girl, if you ever use them style, come to your belly. You follow me.
So food didn't come after.
Girl, why you trick me?
Girl, just
I want the food, you know. You go buy
when
it
I'm
for
gonna
me.
buy. My mama have money, so I'm gonna buy. Anyways,
How is that?
I'm a cousin.
So what? So you look so.
No, I just told me to look for you.
Oh yeah. So him name,
belly,
so
man.
cousin, Jabon, Ali.
Ali,
Yeah, Alia. Anyone I want to call her?
I can call him greedy.
Greedy, all that to her big back. Banky.
I like you love him belly.
Yeah, she love her belly.
I love my belly.
So you do for your side there?
No plans. All gone.
No, because you're boy and I'm sure we go screech out here because my auntie me there, my father again. So my auntie will screech out here, she don't know. But I can use some style and tell because my father come here and give me money. So I can use some style and tell her I'm going down a town go buy some things.
Well, on the back up. What do you mean by screech over here? Then I say, I hate him.
Yes, me I eat it, but them still treat me like a kid. Them just lock me up in a cage like me a what? My dog.
No, man, then can't take a kid I have. You must say, you work up and you're well tattooed on
Them no business about that. Them blind to it. Them just lock me in. So when them go away, at them time them get the opportunity to come out here.
Me here.
So me I go take me little time and go back down because you know my auntie head mad. I can't take it drama right now. So later, yeah?
Me there, man.
Give me a hug.
Alright.
Waste my time.
Alright, greedy. Look, come on, you're greedy.
Oh, waste my time when I get my food.
Give me a belly, girl.
My breast cool.
Girl. You say I can buy my food and me not get no food. And on top of that, you tell big lie from 15 to 18 so fast. I say you go fast.
Girl, I'm not want to pick me. So if you tell me I have to bring on my age all 2 times.
And that's why mommy say me I follow few footstep, you know.
So something wrong if I follow my footsteps?
You tell the man say you're 18 and you're 15, but anything in the dark must come to the light.
Girl, shut up. It come just like your mother.
Alright, you're going to see what you're going to find out.
Are you already we whooping, you know?
Me not tell nothing because enough people there on the road for tell her.
Okay.
No, man, too much.
Man for love. Man are my light and my salvation.
Oh.
Smiley. I wonder if them are asleep. Hey, how we then gone? How we then there? I see none of them in our house. So they not tidy up the place. They go about them business like a too big woman. Okay, alright. Me know what me I go do. I dey sit down right here so and wait until you no come back. One way in, one way out. Me must sketch you now. Me now move. Right here, so. Where now come from?
Down the road. Legal town.
Night town and Negril. Who dare you to come out of the yard?
She's a fella, honey.
Smiley,
Yes, auntie?
you did call me phone and ask me if you can come out of the yard?
No.
Why you not leave out of the yard without my consent? Me no have them the kind of policy there, so. You just left and gone
No,
after your
because
own.
you go, so we say maybe we can go too.
Excuse you? Who the hell you think you be? You figure that you is a child at the age of 15 and you're not responsible for yourself? And this is not your papa yard, this is your auntie yard. And you know, come here so come run things. So you come to broke out your cousin. Really? Like, Leah. Where your answer in? See
Yes,
there?
mommy.
All of a sudden. What is your problem? You know no manners again. That's what me grow you?
No, mommy.
Why you leave out of the house without my consent? If she tell you to come, why you didn't call me and ask me if you can go? You just leave just like that. Suppose you don't go out on the road now, a police, you don't make call me, they tell me, say,
I already go by downtown with the money where I get. The money where I get.
What?
We buy a burger with it.
I never send her no way. She should have asked me if she can go and get it, and I would send her. I would. But you don't ask me, you just take on yourself and come out of the yard. And a matter of fact, you see you? The way your father tell me about you, nothing. Where you say out of the mouth, yeah. Me no believe you. And you, come here. And also me grow you. You the turn one little piece of lion. You all of a sudden, you know better speak the truth again. Where the burger there? Wait, hold on. Let me see.
A Pepsi.
A rum a drink?
No.
You sure say a Pepsi?
Yes,
Because if you no Pepsi a shot your box today, your poop a tan when there and feel it. How Pepsi smell again? Me not even know rum smell. How a Pepsi fit you? Cause you not have black rum.
No.
You, me not trust you. Your father tell me how much man you they carrying out at the age of 15. You they carrying man and they go out, but chewing so licky and craven. Your papa allow you to carry man in the house to get money. So you come to broke out your cousin now for she carry man in the house, so it will never happen. I lie will not tell. Are you go in the house? Go in the house. Tell you when your papa come. You tell your papa say me but no come out, say me boss said girl. Where you come take out me pick me out of here that come broke road. Go out to telephone a man here, do not go and go do all kind of sin. Make sure you say no tidy up people. Look here. Oh no do nothing in the yard. It look like as me turn me back so no come out. And gone about burger. Lion! Me know burger smell. Smell like I want to go wrap up with some man when I'm beard from last week. Me see you see all you smiley. I have a piece of punishment to give you. Go clean out the toilet. Come in and no piss in there and left you and gone like a so nasty. Hey, I then sitting there, my brother, do with you up and live. Up and yard. No make you do nothing at all. So you feel free to go out and come. Watch me and you. Don't talk with you, you know.
Oh, I know where she going to tell me say she a come from now. Kayla! Yes, come to me. Walk up. Hurry up.
Jenny, just up a yard.
Me need up a yard. Me say for walk up, come to me little girl. And look how you have on top on the road.
Your clothes. What
Walk
am I supposed to
up.
have on? Look how I do have on.
Me say walk up.
A 2 foot me have on. Me a
Come
take
like
now.
say you are 18 and me are 15. Or that you look like. Where you come from?
Down the road.
Where do you say you go?
Round a auntie.
You know, auntie say you go. Say you go shop. Where back la water then? You know, long me don't should be plate them away pan. Where did they?
Me ain't got no money to buy water.
Where you come from? Where you come? Where you? Come here. Stop. Come here. Acha. Stop it, meet up, stop. Acha. No, sir. Put on the foot. Put on the foot. Acha. Hey, girl. No, sir. No. I got cut. Help me. Bye-bye! What is it? Bye-bye!
sure you beat her. No should run.
No,
No
man.
should run.
No, man, Papa.
Eh?
They man nowadays pit me, yeah.
You think somebody will help you?
Oh, God, no, me
You're
think
lucky.
that help me.
No.
You know, from man, the girl said she got a road.
No what?
Eh?
No.
No,
You know,
sir.
so before me go look for me woman a while ago. She did a try to study with me. I look me.
I lie, I tell.
That look.
I lie, I tell me. Say.
Oh,
my
hola.
God. I mean, all of me are 18 and she are 15.
So, oh, she a beat you, yes, so.
Boy.
The one thing though, me can tell you. Anybody
No, man.
put in that ear there.
I
they
mean,
tell her.
head
Then
at me.
Then they deserve an award
No,
because I hear
sir.
the chunk of home, me see she a police.
No, man.
And a police.
And you stop and watch me.
Yeah.
If you come help me, say me can't manage her.
No.
He come like she take something big because she full of energy.
I want to tell her.
She full of strength.
But-
She a little 15-year-old, you know. Look at she have a pan and I look big man like a you. And what you do? Put your backside in her face. She live with no, she no live with no mother and no father. Mommy and daddy run gone. They
So-
go hybrid upon me. Me can't manage that.
So me if it does what? Backside up.
What? Make you the permission. My word today. Anytime you see her, backside down, she could even send her on. Just start backside and send her home.
Backside down, I want to see you want to go to the station.
No,
and
me
report
not
me.
go to the station. That's why she just beat me. Me want to know where she go sleep. Cause tonight out of door she a tan. Out of door she a sleep.
Mama no talk. Do not talk because if you put her out and you go to the station, you are going to prison. And your mama and father, they are going to
No, they
find
not
you.
send me to prison. And mommy and I don't go to prison. I told them I pick me. You let me breathe?
Are you relative?
And my sister but the pick me and roll it, Papa, you know, answer me, I go through Papa. Yesterday, me catch she and your daughter and your niece up the road a wine. And she a wine and she don't know where she come like a hookworm, caterpillar. And roadside and wiggle up.
Alright, no say nothing.
Me I come about my business, you know.
No say nothing. Alright, later, we talk to you later.
Okay,
Yes, Kayla.
come wash up your plate them.
Alright.
And listen to me. You see what me yesterday? Now, but I feel to say I bypass that, you know. You hear me as a little girl?
Yeah, me hear you, me alright.
Because sometimes me wonder if I feel to say I hear 18 and I'm the 15-year-old. I hear the 15-year-old, I go on the road and do not leave the yard.
Yeah.
I say go see what take place.
Alright.
I should play him good.
Go wash plate. Come on, you.
How long me wait for you? What did they? Want to stop?
We stop
Who
on
not
that
talk
cool
to?
shade because the sun hot.
So long?
And not long that.
Me notice how you full of chat, you know. Me notice how you full of chat. And along,
No.
I'm more than 1 hour now since you leave. And you are going to tell me, say, I'm not long. Where you come from?
Same place.
Same place. What if we go do so? I couldn't just come back. I that me ask you now, they carry me run and bring me run and get back. How? Round the wall of Jericho. Come here, that phone on you. You see, you look like you can't have a chance. Remember, me don't get the full warning about you already, you know. Come here. Let me get up. I will want to take me feed and miss Nelly. Come here. Oh, you're lucky. You're lucky because if me did ever smell no man send pound, no. I'm a tough fuck. Your father did tell me so when you go a man them you had your beard first before you come home, you know, because you're little and smart, you know. So what for perfume? What for perfume that they find?
Am I want to pack up number?
Don't say me a body in the evening.
No, me I listen to your Taylor. Me kind of me head not so good. I know with them two picking where they give me pay.
And then me talk about stills. I beg you do. I don't know if I your daughter or your niece, but one of them I broke out my sister. Yesterday, I see the little girl that walk come from out on the main road. After she said she had got shop, you know. I reach on main road, short up tights, belly skin.
A long time you know me. The 1 year of my daughter, you
Yes.
don't know that?
And your niece.
And this is my niece, and my brother pick me, but she has stay with me. But
Well.
like a years.
Me I tell her, say, when me talk to the little girl, like, me say me a little girl have to fight, then I say, little girl beat me, you know.
Who are you fight?
Me and my sister, a little 15-year-old.
What talk straight because you frightens me.
No. Me just
Okay.
need to warn them to leave out of their company.
Never they walk with your sister yesterday. So.
Cause me never see no now, I mean, I tell her like pan, I never see no now. But me need to stop walk with me sister, stop par with her, cause when I broke her out, or she a broke out, I don't know how it go. I don't know how it go, I don't see it. Understand? Me never did see who I broke out who from who and I broke out who. But all me I say, you need to catch them up properly. Me can't say they want to get changed, cause me see him in a long clothes. Normally they in a belly skin and battery rider. You need to catch up your daughter. I didn't not hear at all. I'm gonna have to pop one of them neck. Cause the next I girl your brother permission, you know. To lick down my sister when you see him on the roadside, you know.
Where just say when go do with that?
Pop with it.
My brother idiot, so you can't say anything to him and tell my brother to do anything to your sister because you are one next idiot. And
Oh,
my
me
brother
a idiot.
fool. My brother a jackass and you a fool. So if you
So
want
me a fool.
You don't know some my brother depend drugs. If you want to send my brother to go pop your sister, that's a for your business, but no pop, none of them are neck here.
My wife today yeah. Any day name them, I see none of them with my sister on the roadside.
And she
And they
walk
two
behind
of them, they beat the whole three of them.
And she walk
Just mark my words, you know. Cause you're a big woman, you must know better. They power that do things higher than you they believe what them are saying and believe what people are saying. Yes, I say to you.
How about that?
How about that?
And when you come to do now?
Me not confident now.
No, what you come to do now? Come beat them. See them, they beat them.
No.
Go and go beat them.
You see,
Because you and your sister fight, so you come to beat me niece and my daughter. Go and go beat them.
You see, me not.
Go and go beat them. Go and go beat them.
You see, show me bigger than you. Me not beat them. Me I watch my sister no breed for me and shame. Me say when them shame me up, you will know cause you pick up for them. And hear me now waste my time for uno. Not about I'm bright. But you big woman.
Kayla, look at you. When I left off a bridge, I can't talk about my niece and my daughter. Look at you. Look at you. Kayla, look at you. Where you turn back, come down and suffer. You not done going about your business, fish where you mix up and you love argument.
Stop worry about me and friends.
Stop worrying about my daughter and my niece. And go about your business because you look like a warrior they look. And we fight up for them.
Me don't want to worry enough. Me don't want to worry enough.
Pop over neck. You
And that's your worry about.
Yeah.
You're about I'm worrying that you're worrying
Oh
me.
yeah,
Who is acting?
No, worry about you.
Worry. No, go worry. Wait a second. Go worry. Oh, you think go worry. Go worry.
Go worry about your worrying that.
No, say it again. No, say it.
Really?
Go worry about your worrying that. You tell your brother what?
No, please come here and put up. What? What said? You're right. Anytime you see me niece or my daughter, any one of them, come out there and call your neck. I must see this and you're going to make your broke for me niece or my daughter and you have for your one. You're lying. I lie like that. I pop for you too. Oh, Tada, I treat you like you're an impaddy there. Make you feel like you can come broke my niece. Make no rent with my niece. Nor my daughter. My brother idiot. Who found it too? They are popping show. I come go like you want to come style me. Could you? Tell you always I can use to me because you know I know jazz to wear. Well, your jazz catches them clear out. And you walk and thief like that's what you can use for me picking them all the while and I tell life to me beat them. So you want to murder me pick them on the road just like how your mama used to do. Go on where they go and leave me alone. When you come. Oh, Tada. You see disgrace what you call down for me now?
Mommy, how we call it, mommy?
You see the disgrace every minute to make Kayla they soon up on the road. So now this a one me not blame you know. She and her sister fight, she come for blame you know. Where the backside?
Why look young girl that run thing life up so?
Which young girl?
Taylor.
Sophie.
We see her run past me.
Who you attack? Chicken back? Dirty Kayla. We coming and so can style your own a pitney, but what you mean why she a run so? She fi run galang right now, me should have see her fi bust her head.
You know saying that bush me there cut. My belly did cut me, you know?
You go shit a bush?
You couldn't do better.
Man when shit a bush, never catch you say it, cause you never know say the shit a go hold you. You're nasty, go home go bed.
No, man, I'm a look black shirt and I go and use. It's a good thing about the marina.
The one shot. The one shirt where your father give you before you go on a foreign. I hit a take.
Then there's nothing wrong with the shirt. Some video. Walk come out and make you smell me.
You have to learn to keep your ass closed. Because you name too much. And sometimes you don't name nothing and go drink rum. In a rum bar, me yesterday day. You think me no know say that day when you come boast about it, they give $300 to daughter. Or me fi take it by whatever for daughter. You think me no know say a few money you come down and me and come tell me lie. How much a barrier hit when me hear say you have woman out the road, they call you on phone. The phone call where you did get. A woman call you. And you go give them must be 3,000 US. Boy.
Huh?
How much money you had to give girl when I go want you? Me say that the girl is married if you never know I have 4 me. And plus she pregnant and me say she go give you it. Me say she dey plan to give you 2. You don't know say she a baby.
Oh, you know so much.
Me know everything.
I
Because
know
the
that
same
more.
dirty Kayla where you see the can use to me. She a tail bearer. She carry out news and she carry in it. She gone now. Me fi see her really look up there so like a idiot. Now you say you're in a bush and she can't see Kayla the pass.
What
you mean what want she know that behave 100%. But you notice how she dress? Let go it. Make it say you start carry yourself better than when she did there your yard. That make you dress in a one way if a man take her away before time. What is wrong with you?
I mean, force her to
You
put on what
behave
she
like
put on.
yes.
How?
Because you have your friend them, they line up me here down the road. Say you are line up your friend them to come there with the daughter to you want money. You are dirty pooper.
Jesus
What kind of man you be?
Christ have mercy.
What you call God for? What God do to you? What God do to you?
You know the lie situation that God have involved.
A dirty
Come
man
here.
you be.
Come here.
Yes, she not tell no lie, you do it.
Talk to me. Ever tell it to a man?
You do it.
Then we are do because you collect as me, as a man come in and come out here collect money, you want money. So
Okay.
not sell me.
All
But that's
right.
supposed to me.
All right.
My sister.
You own a daughter in there, sell out. You're a dirty rich.
No, let me tell you what I want to know. He make the man jump through my window, right?
So you know man jump, that mean you watch me. Why are you watching me? Are you a security?
When the man jump...
Hey, hello. You go up. Hey. No bother with it. Stop. No talk to your father so although him a drunker without wing. You see the drunker them with wing fly high. This a one you fly low. He not no wing. He low-gi and careless. Shouldn't get a nice little daughter like you. Me I beg you. You see when you see me? Or you not see me? Don't disrespect him. Make him stay with him little dirty nasty ways until God ready for him marry devil because I'm a wicked. You're 15.
Yeah,
You're not
yeah,
supposed to talk like you're adult. You hear me?
Yes, auntie.
Okay.
When the man jump through the window, I see gun on the man's side. Me the only key man but me say, gun? You must be mad. I wait till the man done work. And
Just the man, they come through window or they go through window.
I go through the window.
So he already come in and do what he do.
Yes.
And when he go through, you come collect.
Me come so.
You stretch out your hand them.
Yeah. Me say, bossy, anything what you do in that house, I don't business. Just
So
make
when you
sure
see the man with the
collect.
gun, you not run go under your bed.
Who?
You, why you never run go under your bed?
I'm
Because you can't do nothing. You see you don't make man kill off your daughter. You know.
Ask him how much the man give him.
Much money he did give you? Because you take him money. You should have known how much money you take from her. Or you
No.
take some and give her back some.
See, he
How much
got-
money
how
man
the
did give you?
Ask him.
How much you take?
Me get 20,000 and like him and give him $1,000 and me just say big man come.
So the man look on you and give you 20 grand?
After I win they put it on me and I say, listen me, a 15-year-old that you will go to
I
prison.
sell you or sell out your daughter. And you are go to prison.
He don't take you out, me couldn't take you back.
So why you take money?
So hold on you know. So me if you make
He don't take the hood, you couldn't take it back. So if he didn't take the hood, you would have take him.
what happened? By the way.
Why? Why?
Bust your head.
People! You don't come up here so come and help me, this one crowd. You,
Me
dirty
say-
coolie boy. Let me tell you something.
Miss,
My father used to tell me mother say, he no sure say you a fiend. You is a jacket. And your life just like the vest them we are wear because none of them no fit. You're too wicked. Look there, look what you go do. Put on your neighbor pants and come a road and come create
no, me never
excitement for
have
your
one.
daughter.
And me never pants.
Me no say. Me see. Toga in other pants there.
No.
Yes.
Toga have one. Toga follow me. But you know, me sure I'm good. Me sure I love my daughter so much. I am.
But look how you come switch up argument for me. You take 20 grand from man and make man go and do it.
passport. Our passport. We look but ask him if never can go look but him passport.
Let me
Because we
see
have
it.
plan to can go America. Go make him know life, make him get good education over there, so he can't go to school, yeah.
America?
Yeah.
Trump no want you over there. You see all where they do? Eh?
Trump go want me,
With this
hold on. Between me and you, no, keep down your mouth. Trump go want me over there, because me go show him which part the people them want straight there. Me go carry him all over the place of a foreign.
You know, it's, hey.
You see that New York?
Boss it.
Yeah, man.
Boss it.
Yeah.
You want dirty informer. You is the informer.
Oh.
Yes, you boss it and you don't know where you boss it for. You is the informer. I want you take your dirty mouth and go over in America. Which state you go? Which one of them? All I see them. You they go America to go inform pan people for people come back here as a wicked dirty drunk.
Him give green card together. Him say give green card. So me tell him.
Trump tell you say him will give you one or green card.
Yeah. And maybe I'll get green card to the daughter.
You know, I notice with you when you don't beard, you lie. And when you beard, you will tell them go two lie. But you see friend no beard, 100 lie. Go and go beard. You better you tell me less lie now. Me tired of you. Go on. Me tired of you. Where you tap yourself for? And you can't tell me about dirty Kayla how you shit in a bush. Go on where you go. You see you? You see the same side where you sleep on last night, you better sleep on it tonight. Cause if you're not mind sharp, you don't go to prison.
Oh, you're more.
You are taking 20 grand from a man, they go through window with gun and allow them to go have sexual intercourse with your daughter and you don't say nothing about it.
And when the man
money.
And when the man come back out, the man done in job. Me have to collect. And me never collect down. Me
You're straight from me and say, no, you're not no father, you know.
Me's a good father.
You're not no real father.
That's a good father. Some father
You're
that you go buy
father,
rum.
drunker father.
Ask him when we did the 20
You're
grand.
not even godfather.
Ask him when we did the 20 grand.
You're lizard father, rat father, cat father, cow father. Go on.
Don't bridge you go. Don't bridge you go.
Look how you
You
turn
love
up and
bridge.
argue with the little pitney like say you are not her size. You figure say your daughter is not your woman.
Me not care about doctor next day.
Go on where you go. Go on, leave her alone.
Me not care about doctor little girl.
Don't point upon her. Go on where they
Go
go.
make you get injection.
Dirty
Alright.
boy. Go on.
Alright.
Leave her. She don't live with you no more. So what is the problem? And the $20 where you did give me fee if you buy food for her, it done. So you need to care money come. That the 2 months gone, you ain't say a month and a half, at almost 3 months. You feel say me an idiot? Be front you buy pan bridge, but you know, I no money.
And when the month they run out, I come in full, I don't be done.
Come.
You look a few days, then you have a complain. You know, stop complain. You hear me say? Stop complain. Anyway, I'm up here one 10 grand come tomorrow. You know.
Leave her alone. Talk and don't find. Cause you act like you want to fight her.
No, me not
deal with
fight.
her like she's a child. Don't deal with her like she's a woman.
One little birdie piece, we say I want black boy.
And you want money from that one day too.
No. Me
Like
want-
you have problem with black. What is the problem with you?
Huh?
You have problem with minute you chat about girl Batija black. No, she have black man. What is wrong with you? Black is beauty. Go on this party, they go leave her alone, man.
No, me just a
Me a
suggest the
try
color.
to
I
make
know
she
white.
grew up in a right way how she figure
I know white. I don't know brown. I want black boy.
I know pink. And I know purple.
But me
You
tell you
just
though,
careful how you they chat. You hear?
make sure that little birdie is alright. Because any belly you gonna have, I'm glad I have a sister you did it. So me don't chat.
You glad that your sister and they chat.
Because if you
No,
breed,
yes, when she just
and
come
you
on
have a
here,
baby.
you see she did dirty looking and frownsy and smell bad. Smell her out, she sweet and nice and clean out. You know where she get the frownsiness from and the nastiness. Go on. Nobody come back her out back again. Because she not go back in your nasty world. She not come back in your yard. Papa, you frownsy. Me say, if you even ain't tell me say you go in a bush go shit before I mother know because from you come here so me smell shit. Go and go bed. Go and go bed because you dirty shut you use. And you shut your father give you when you go find you use in a bush. You're nasty. Go and go bed, man. Think of shit now. Look here. No go back in yard. Because if you go back, you go smell like a shit. Come. You no come go home. Wait. Making go on. Me no want him come over my yard. Want him piece of out of road still. Making go on. Me no want him know where they go. Alright, him gone. So come to go over yard now. We don't want him over there. Beg too much.
Me someone just give me $1,000. And I just come down and go buy a cake. Bread.
Where you go?
Me I go down there so.
Where you going to go?
I go buy a burger.
If you get money from buy a burger, little girl, you have money, you have work, we go buy a burger you talk about.
Then I told push I'm supposed to get.
Where you get money from to buy a burger? Eh? And matter of fact, the yard me left you, where you do to your yard?
Me I go buy something.
Oh, tell us you left the yard, Kay. Turn back round and go up to the yard. No! What's that smell your arm?
Wait till when mommy come.
Go on.
Come here, look on the phone. Look on the bed and see my phone. Carry come. I'm confused right now. I'm telling you, and the lady will wait for me. Smiley, come here. Shut my door because I want to tidy up the place. I don't want the neighbor them to see this saying they're dirty. Thank you. Shut the door when we talk to you. Come right here now. I'm in the chat to you know neighbor not here. Listen. I want to keep the place clean and tidy. Look for me because you see I want you to know. You see I look out there so? Oh, when people talk to you, no look on them. You want to tidy up the place. Don't come out of the yard. Me I go somewhere. And you see the thing when me I go do, me now tell you now what me I go look about something. It will take about 6 hours to done before me come back. So 6 hours before me come back. I call it 6.5 hours because that's something me I go do and me just estimate it as 6-7 hours. Don't come out of the yard. Me tell you already 1 million times. Tidy up the place, stay in the yard, behave with yourself. Me don't want nobody in my yard. So make sure. What?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, what?
Auntie.
You want to you. Yes, yeah, hear what me I say?
Yes, mommy.
You always act like you're innocent, you know, like you hear everything and you go behave yourself. But remember, you know, me say me I want secret punishment for you. I don't really fear you. Anyway. I'm sitting in the seat, you know, so no excuse when me come back, you know, to tell me, oh, when Mrs. Sound then I had like what I always do as usual. I shop me did go come me did thirsty, drinks in my fridge, food in my house, stay in there, one inside. 6 hours me I take before me come back, or maybe 6.5 hours, one. One, no go in and make me sister me left on, oh, if you no you will your name in a man problem all the while. All the while your name a mix up with man. You know what? Make sure say the credit when me left on your phone is stay on it. Yeah, the only person you call is me or your father. You hear what me say?
Yes, auntie.
Go in. Go in. Go on in. Lock the door. Later. Oh, Patsy, you're still there at the place I wait for me? Yeah, girl. That's something me did do. Me did talk to me niece and my daughter. May I come now? Yeah, alright. May I come now? Cool.
You know, say me I go on the road with you with that business and come back.
You ever go on road?
If you don't go on the road, how you eat? If I don't go on the road, okay, how you eat? Where go eat?
You hardly eat fries, you know.
Listen to me. Me I go on the road and come back. I mean, I guarantee you this time. Do not leave out of the yard, stay in the yard. Because if me ever they come and see you on the road, me I guarantee you, you're not going to win this time. Me I promise you that. I never promise you nothing tonight, but I promise you this. I never see you on the road, okay? Stay in the yard, rush to play them and go lie them and go on your phone. Use the internet. Don't come out of the yard.
Alright, Sister Kayla.
Yes, stand in the yard. So come back.
Yeah, baby, you did good. I literally did like it. But I have to go see me can't go up before my sister, so I can't talk to you. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Girl, who you going to see? Why? Left the yard. I did one. Girl, you think you're going to beat me again? You think you're going to beat me again, girl? You think you're going to beat me again? Girl. I want to beat you, girl. I want to beat you. You think I would hold you?
Yeah, man.
You think I would pass up? It's a big whip, you
What? Stop it, please, stop it.
Yeah, papa. Yeah, no problem.
Shashi art.
William! William! We are giving it back. What do you think? Bye. Bye-bye.
Chang.
I am we. Backside. Yeah, big man, what do you think? What's that?
Hold on. Walk him. Let's talk.
William! William!
Sorry. Nothing tell me.
William!
Tell me, come on, go ahead. Walk him. You got. How are you? You make him beat you again? Oh God.
You let me have me penny.
Yeah, man, I say go. You see? Tell him go come. Now go for my sister. Tell her to come.
I say your daughter breed.
Let's stand up out here so I do.
Just the other so. I want to take cool breeze.
Eh?
Take cool breeze.
You smiley.
In the with in the mama man.
Eh?
She in there with mama man.
So that's why you stand up outside, then send you outside? Or you will come out after your one?
Me.
So you did in there with man too?
No, mommy, I saw
So which man that?
His name Jabon.
Job one. From where?
I don't know.
You know him?
She alone know him.
What going in here so? I want to know what going in here so. All under my fan when me buy. Who you? Who him?
I'm gonna put in my shit now.
Put on which machine? What you doing at my place? What you do with my niece? She underage. Big old man like a you.
Who underage? I 18-year-old some woman I deal with.
Who are 18?
She 18. She such a tell me
She 18.
She tell me.
She 18? Eh? She 18. Ah! She 18? A 15-year-old that. 15. 15.
She tell me she 18, mama. Easy now.
Eh? 15. Me broke your bone, boy. You want me broke your bone when you come in here, so what you do? Grip? A grip her?
Grip.
All on
She
you.
tell me she 18.
So you're not in a business long time?
About 3 months now.
Yo, come out of my place. Come out of my place. All you. Me not ever go take that lick. You can't do one on police lock me up. Where my belt?
No.
Kneel down. Hold up your hand in the air. Hold up your hand. Where my belt there? Oh, so you have plan. You hide all the belt.
Me not hide the belt.
You hide the belt when we used to use and beat my daughter. She behave herself. So you broke out my daughter. No, me believe what my brother did tell me say. And no, me believe say you're carrying man in my brother house. But he still not have no right to take money from man. When you carry them in because you're underage. You want go cops. The man them where you take one go prison and your papa want go prison too. Me not sorry for you today. Anything when me take catch it, me I use murder you in here today. Look here. You're too bad. You're too bad, man. You're too bad. Hold one in your foot. Come out here, son. Hold on your foot and one in your ears. You're tough now. You little and bad. What you come in here for? You think you run things in here, so? So that you make me daughter they do too? Okay. The two only they keep, man. She did have man in here too? No, don't shake it. No, shake it off for me. No, shake it off for me. You're too out of that. Come out. Move friend in front. Move friend in front. And you're too little bit on outer. You're too terrible. And what kind of heat can in a 15-year-old body? What kind of man you know want so? Look on the place. Look on the place. Before you tidy up the place, but you're there, they take man. You're a little bit on outer. Wait till me see my brother. Is I then go take you back or me they send you a cops? Remember, because you're not stay here so no more. That me I tell you.
Oh, me, well, look how far me if you really I walk from. You know the big old pants here. You only want to know the incident with up on the road with Kayla sit down on his sister, trashy sister ass. Am I shit that?
Oi. You notice you talk and me not answer you?
Anyway.
I don't have police station me call right now, you know. Okay.
The mash, me I talk about the mash shit. The mash shit I confuse me still. Anyway, me send you money to deal with some things with that and I realize say, you look like you haven't called me back to tell me thanks or not. I don't know if you get it or
You send money to me. Look here, right now, the way I'm busy, me not check my account to see if nobody sending me not know if it come to me email or not. Me not know. Because you see your damn data where you have there. I want big problem, you know. Real problem. Me cannot manage her no more. Right now, I don't have station. Me did a bow for call.
Oh, and the thief?
Thief are no good something, but it better she the thief, because me should have thief from. Me her auntie. At least me could have school her and make she know say stealing is wrong.
Good.
What don't give to you, do not take it. But I know that.
Oh.
A man me come see ya. She and man well cock up in ya and palm me bed. One dirty foot boy. Name Jawbone. Me no know when come from at the first me I see this man. Big old man.
No, wait a second.
Eh?
Jawbone. And in black.
Yes.
I mean that same boy there. Sit down and drink. And my daughter am I there with?
The man them nowadays know what them a do. They friend the father fit there with the daughter.
But you don't know if me have a youth that are next thing again.
You hear what me just say? Me say, the man them nowadays, then Ginal, they know what them a do. You hear what me just say to you? The man them nowadays, then Ginal, then friend the father, fit there with the daughter, they know what them a do. And your daughter, Ginal, me can't believe, say, she really make me come see man in a chew because what? Me tell her, say me they go and me now come back till 6 hour time or 6.5 hours.
I saw that he do me a daytime one time. He tells me I go for the road.
Me check her because me never go stay so long.
Okay. You saw me I try show you now. You saw me I try show you now. A cops to shift go. Cops.
Right no. Now, me not tell no lie. Yes, when I send them a cops, then me hear say, they worse than when they go in there. But it better we send her go there. At least she can stop walk around and have sex with big man. She will damage her poor little body. You know what I mean? By the time she reach 20 or so, she don't have no use for herself again. So when she reach adult,
you know what I mean?
Ready to go a man now, then say this a little girl done, her body done.
You're ready for the secret now? Or want to
yes,
tell
me
about your daughter?
Yes, tell me, because a long time every day you tell me and you tell me.
Your daughter abridged Master John's son. Yes, she abridged Master John's son.
So, Papa, me and you?
Sister and brother.
Okay. So, Papa, why you hold such a secret from me for so long every day? Me ask. I think sitting is more simpler than that. So, my daughter pregnant under my roof and me don't know that?
A Master John's son, Mr. Because every time we do a Master John's son, yeah, down there, he must maybe give him a call and I'm looking at the phone. She send him pregnancy test. She send him this.
Who for son she abridged for?
Master John's son.
Then who Master John's son be? When come from?
The people that have a big house. Up the hill.
Where the heap big dog them there?
Yeah.
Jesus God.
Them are picnic, yeah.
Them the people they were so cockatty. I don't want them picnic chat to anybody. Then I hope that the woman the son come get involved with me daughter.
Jump fence. Them jump pens. Dirty piece of...
Guess what? Guess what? Me blame you for keep it from me, although it don't happen already. But I know your daughter alone I got cops. So the two of them, make sure you have pitney in there. Government will take it right. Me not take up no problem, put pan problem. Me can't manage it. So the two of them are go cops.
No go tell them, me tell you, know. Cause Master John, you know, them people there love them pie. We can't take a bullet. Me don't want his son to take up a gun and come look for me. But I look a boy still so me don't know how you send him go cops. How you go send she go cops to one little boy?
You think of that me I send him go to a little boy, whether little boy or big man, because she's a child. She
The boy is, and she go to prison, from cops to prison. The boy is 14 and she is 15.
Listen man, listen why she have to go. She not listening to me. She bad and me can't manage her. So government have to go take her up in her hand. Make she have the child there and then take it pitney from her and put her at the one of the baby then there.
Oh good, because
by the time she reach age, she have more sense. The pitney will grow up and then she will go for her pitney. Look here.
Because the boy is 14, the boy can't go to prison.
Me not go in and no war with nobody we breed nobody. Because I know me tell them if you go open up the shop door and take in milk and sardine pan shelf. I know me make sure say me work and put everything in my house for them eat and drink. Your daughter and my daughter are too damn bad as claddy. Me can't manage them.
You see before me left here, my woman a breed. But we are going to fly go to Florida. I'm going to dash my daughter passport because she don't work here anymore. She a breed. But I only hoping that a girl, if it's a girl in her, come back to Jamaica. Me don't want to step foot on Jamaica style.
Okay, go on. Me don't want to hear about see you poke woman. Go on. Go on, cause pity you don't know me here down the road. Go on, cause you soon find out if you get her pregnant or somebody else. Go on.
If I jacket me take it.
No, go on. Me know say you love there something there. Me know because you see uno dirty man, uno love buying jacket, uno no like mine phone, one a personal pitney where uno get. Other people pitney uno like mine. Go on dirty man.
We just decided something while ago. What? So I feel like I'm supposed to wash the plate this morning. So I feel like I feel finish put up the bed and wash up the plate them and sweep out the house. Because the house want map out now. And the fan want wash.
What you want to do?
No, me lie down after I'm prepared.
Oh, I think I want to do something.
And me clothes them on the back. Me did put them out there to wash, but see that the rain all come, so me don't feel like me want to turn up and wash no clothes. So me feel like you have to go there wash clothes them.
Go on wait. Go on wait.
Give me the phone, girl.
No. Go on wait. But you go around this to mommy, you know. And go on around this so.
No, me need the things them get down. And ask me, I tell me, I tell us you go and wash up the things them.
Wait for me for breathe.
So I touch that you give me. Hello, listen to me carefully. Me say get up and wash up the plate them.
I'm gonna take go on do that.
Mommy!
Yeah.
Come here.
I want now.
Me tell her if you go do the things that she don't want to do. Make sure go do it quick and fast. Me clothes them want to wash and the rain come and feel like they want to go in there and go wash my clothes. So that's
Well,
why
she must want to wash in the heavy rain. Because me know say, me send her in to tell you what to do. What is the problem?
Right.
So all me for wash in a rain.
Hold on, little
Wash
picnic.
plate.
Mind your tone with me, little
Spread
girl.
So you never say
Mind your tone with me, little girl, and start again. Go on, go wash. Me shouldn't even have to come in to say it.
Think say a big woman with me in ya? Oh.
Is there something there? And there was something that said if you put her in her hand in her mommy, can it come like she has smell her arm?
She gone too right and bright.
Maybe so she
And her
go-
chest too high. Now I go cut her wing. Now
Yes,
cut her
mommy.
wing.
Come, mommy, cover me up. I feel like more
Alright,
alive.
baby.
I feel
But then you know
comfortable.
what
I'm
you
a-
have to do. Because you do all the hard work and
Yeah.
I don't like see black people having it too.
Yeah,
Cover up
I
my
want
baby.
something to eat.
Alright, I'm gonna make she do something for you. Because she
Right.
lazy bad.
Bad,
She
bad,
for
bad,
walk.
bad.
She
She
for
know
walk.
what she do walk.
Listen to the rain of fall and
Yes.
know the sleep of the sweet you.
Yes, she
Alright.
go wash the clothes and man.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Sleep good, baby. Sleep
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Ring come out hard.
Trisha. Shanice. Right there, just one. You know?
Yeah, girl.
So why you want to just do so much?
You know, all the days they come on my yard. Every time I come in, let me alone is clean up. You ever seen nobody else do nothing?
Come to think of it, I know me just say. I go back. Oh, God. So me have to talk now. What you been up with tough this sister there?
They no say one lie done.
And you happy there just so yeah, why you're not human, you know what you don't do?
No, look.
Oh, God. No, don't hate about that. No, look.
So what happened?
No, go on, girl. Come Papa gone out of yard and me tell me say me a come up here. He tell me say make sure me reach him back before in the day.
Oh.
Sometimes say I go up here me there. So me ask you something. Like how them a treat you, you never yet think to your mother to ask him what make him a go and
So to my mother, I asked my mother.
ask him if you ever think to ask your mother.
Yeah.
Make him a do you so.
I tired to try speak one sentence with that lady. You see, all the time they're available is time like this when you have to clean. And everything we feel like stuff, out of the room me come from. Out of the dirty room.
He not only lazy but nasty too.
Nasty that.
You know say I'll come to think of it. You remember all the big ugly jars with the period brothers and them? I saw the thing too.
So who for you think? And this is not the oh God. So you know, I just have to get big Philip out of it.
So your father know about this?
No.
I have to do one day, you know, you have to do record them. You have to do record them.
Yeah, more than
and
treat
treat
me.
you. Cause you see,
When my
yeah.
father did have a different treatment me did.
You're gonna make it in a life, you know, just believe, man. That's all I do.
Just frustrated. And then when you done, me have to go wash Kayla the clothes. And then I have to go wash the dash some bleach on them and
No,
burn them.
girl. You have to wet them and put them in all the red dirt. Just like how you're so full of red dirt. You can put in a red dirt and then you tap up on it and make it red dirt. Japanese and whole and close themselves. But that's what you do.
Dash me got them some bleach on you.
And burn your cup.
Burn color.
When you say that she bleach on you and burn your that's when you do that, then you tell them to skin it that kind of thing. I mean, I understand how them have their own opinion and treatment.
Sometimes I feel like they swap me hospital. No. I mean,
Because,
I don't
yeah,
like my mama.
And
Not
like your papa. Your papa brown and so you come so your mother extra black and you come clear skin. No features in none of them in a house.
Swap me a hospital.
I believe so. I believe so too. So I make sure no say you don't live one couple times. As bad as all for my papa rum head and sit on. When you treat this up.
No, mama just come. Straight to God, you can.
Me can't bother for you neither. Let me know. Say you no hungry.
Where from man in me, where from mom to do something. So I'm going to run and buy 100 with cheese.
Oh.
That's so shit.
Take about comes on.
No, do not right now. Do not take make me hungry. Yeah.
But you have to get up his stomach.
No, we do not want something hot.
Oh, it's a hot shit.
More something with warm water, hot water, cannot. Let me do it, hot Pepsi, me a dash your belly.
No, go piss in our pot again. You put it on the fire. This so.
Yeah, no, go on there. I'm not see the purpose in you.
No, because for cheer up, girl. Let me say I'm the one and only. You know, I'm go get some good.
Alright, I'm going to go shut them plates.
Them have to burn them all.
No, they plate them, I'm going to burn up, girl. Like clothes, them, I go burn up.
Yeah, true. Later.
Later.
Yeah. Kayla! Kayla! Girl, Riri! Girl, what?
Girl, they me there say me I go learn and see because the rain will come. Me thinking of
Why the rain decided to do so walk along?
Girl, then I got me there lie down.
Oh, so where your sister there?
She'll have a wash up my dirty clothes them.
Wish me did somebody I wash me dirty clothes, mama. You have a nice sister.
They can't feed them come make she wash them.
Alright, but anyways,
I'm
when
ready
I
to
tell her
take
to make me walk go down Miss Alice, just go buy something.
You have money? Yeah. You get money from me. You have no man?
Girl, you don't worry yourself. We will still talk about that.
You have man, girl?
Girl, something like that.
Me not like you come take me to your yard, you know. You sure you have money?
Yeah, girl, me know something not come here broke.
Me not see you in a purse and me see you two long empty hands.
See money in your set.
Oh. Yeah, push money on your side.
Yeah.
I come by man, do the thirsty.
You ever thirsty? From
Me
me go
come
here.
come
Come
to me,
on, girl.
Then I should plate them.
So you come tell me for?
Come here and if me can't go on the road now.
Go on which road?
So you make Kayla go on the road. What do you had?
Hi. I mean your question. Me say, you wash the clothes? You wash the clothes them already?
And then my clothes, me not think me for wash
Me
them.
ask you that.
Me wash the plate them, me rake up the yard. Me ready, me want to go on the road now.
Alright. You want to go on the road? You can't go on the road till the rubbish burn.
Me don't know for light
wash.
fire.
All my sheet want wash too. And as a matter of fact, Kayla just get up and she did sweat. And you see, Kayla did sleep and get up. And then she wet as she sweating at the sheets. So you can take off and change her bed sheet too.
Oh, I put it on for you wash it?
Put down for you for wash it.
No, I don't think I'm supposed to wash it. I don't think I want to wash it.
Hold on. Me not hear right. Me sure me gone deaf in my old. I couldn't hear you. Little pick me. I tell me no when me give you something to do. Go again. Me say, strip off the bed, Kayla bed, and wash the sheet them too. If you not do it, me'll give you more work to do, you know. Either right, either.
I can ask you something? Me your daughter, me your maid.
But little
Which
girl,
one?
hold on there. I'm put my phone down 90 again, so. And who you a get brighted? Cause me notice there from the other day you got rank and bright.
Clearly, you
you forget who you deal with, you know, little girl.
You don't know me in a
You
bright.
forget who you deal with, you know, little girl.
Daddy!
Yeah, so now go on up here.
Me have to deal with her rough.
Daddy!
Me have to deal with her rough, cause she there a rank with me.
What problem?
She there a rank with me.
What?
Me ask her for do some chores.
Come here,
She speak me no one do nothing, you know.
Don't say this speak
Don't
me.
shout, I'm
Me
talking.
not
I'm
shout.
talking to your father.
Hold on,
No,
my lady.
you
Hold
have
on.
to say.
Give me a minute, my lady.
Rank and rude and out order. All I take call when big people are
I want to have in this in the
You
ring.
see what me have to deal with? No, you see why me have to rough her up and drape her up. Me have to box her down some of the time.
Look, for me, I want to have in this in the ring.
I'm a phone. Because me run this
where they
hours
go?
plate.
Come see how this a call.
Nobody now call. You blind?
Oh man, she look like she a take. That's why me can't make she go up on the road. She full of lie.
What my next daughter?
She go up on the road.
Sure.
She good though. She go up
That
on the road with
govern
her
one.
friend.
What she do for a morning?
Nothing. What? Me I try to get her for work. She nah do nothing but give me bad chat. Me tell her to straight the bed. The bed dirty and she sleeping on the dirty sheet.
Give me this.
No.
Give me this. Give me the phone for me
Nah,
take it
give
and mash it up.
No,
Give me this.
no.
You see what me I deal with though?
Listen to me, now listen to me carefully. It's either you not go send me go cemetery or you not go treat me better than this house here. Because the liar woman here, I tell you say me don't do nothing from her. Ask her who rock up a yard, who wash plate, and she want to send me in the back go wash up Kayla bloody clothes them. Me now walk back and no little girl.
Rake up yard. Rubbish.
Lady.
Rubbish. Rock stone about rake up yard.
Wifey,
When you
hold on.
not take them up, why you not take them up?
Wifey, hold on the wifey. Hold on the wifey.
Hey.
How we gonna chat to some?
Yes.
Sit down.
That's your fiddle.
Well, listen. How we gonna chat to some?
That's your fiddle. Drop.
How you gonna talk to some? And this make you feel like you're a woman. Give me this, sir. Give me this. Hold this. And this make you go on like you're a woman. I could never. My wife here chat to some. Yo, what up ahead? Me talk to you.
No, run it from here.
Hey, you see if I never have mercy of God. Me block off a nigga way you have over here saying, my mommy tell you, you know, hey, find yourself in the house. Take away yourself from yourself. Find yourself in the house. Hey, no ramp with me, you know. Hey, I say make sure you behave up here.
Me try.
I say make sure you behave up here.
Me try.
What kind of tone of voice that?
And that me I say, that's why you see me come. When you come, me I lick up.
Hey.
Me can't do nothing else.
Come like a chop. You want me chop off her head up here, you
You see
know?
what me deal with now?
Hey, make sure you learn her sense up here, you know.
I'm glad you witness. Me I try with her.
I could never make a daughter go and say to her.
Stop it, wash up the dishes. A big argument. More times me just do it. Or more times Kayla see it and just do it.
You know, say anybody might call my phone from over there and tell me, say, you might hear some loudness over here, like, say, you cheat on me with man or something.
Man a phone her again. See man a phone her? You see what me I deal with?
Almighty
She
God.
broke me down. Me glad you come.
Yo! I know they can't call me daughter phone in the youth. I'm going to track the number and find you which part today. Remember me tell you. You hear that? Hey, me even on check
And she
you
go
them.
like big woman and the man that
Hey.
bounce the street and
Now
realize
go down the road. Me so far. Me so far.
Man, find him.
Anytime I hold them.
I bet you to go. And she have bad phone. She brought you. You hear daddy come. You brought you. Hey. Woo.
Girl, why? If you walk down Miss Alice a while ago, you was stressing. So what going on now, girl? What really is going on?
Me I tell you, me in charge of my yard. And me run that the yard there. Me say me gonna kill her with beer, walk back up, mama. All my clothes them the girl over there they wash right now. Me dey on the road.
Yeah, girl.
All my bed she still have to spread up, plate, everything. Me don't know, you know. Me just lie there like a queen. I don't do too much hard work.
I want to be like you. So, girl, I can't carry my clothes and come tomorrow,
I
right?
can't carry clothes and come a laundry.
All right.
Laundry, so you can't carry clothes, come for wash them.
No problem.
Me and your friend, girl. Think you want to
What? Where do you just say?
Remember me to say?
What your clothes come now? You know how long we did this, so listen.
You can't carry clothes over me yard and laundry.
What laundry there?
My sister over there. You don't see her over there?
Yo. You're a wicked.
Hi! You know come on, brother.
Sure.
Turn up now. Turn up like you're a big somebody, man.
Big somebody, man. Look on you.
Turn up, man. You didn't hide back on me far. I didn't defend me.
You
see, I make you carry defend me, man.
You're a wicked sister.
Yeah.
Girl, don't speak in
And
my
so
face for your mouth stink. But
No,
you say
me
if
more
Shanice
don't
no brushing arm.
Oh, stop arguing with my friend. And if you want, not cost, mama. If you want to find my friend, you have to find me too.
Come now. So where I just back I go.
You see that
No.
idiot? Let me hang to this.
Me not done with it yet. You're a wicked sister. Imagine your sister the over there and I do so much stuff here and you still come out your phone and this and that.
Me not say that. Me I tell the truth. She wash my clothes them. So me I tell her she can't bring her clothes. Come.
Which part?
Over there. You run over there?
Eh. You see all the chimney we have on that bed with the
No.
little shit from here.
That is too long.
No,
that is
I
too
don't
long.
know too long. That's to show you how big and nasty your big.
Too long. I don't have a chimney, mama.
You have
me
a
not
chimney.
have a chimney.
It's scandal bag where you put in a cereal
No.
in a chimney.
That's not mine. That's my father. I'm a father. Things you talk about. You come and go down.
So what are you doing in your room?
No, mama, I don't have any room. And me and Shanice share room. So Shanice
So
nasty
in the
too.
room. Shanice don't nasty because Shanice always a clean out the place. You always did that so. Even Jazz, you remember Jazz where me did see her with when it print and it walk good on that beach? Even that they me see over there with blood. And all of
That's not my panty. That's
What
my
you
mother
doing
panty.
So what you doing there?
Remember me doing this to me night?
Of
You just
course.
take one picture of me and show me.
No.
I come like a tap fast with me on the road, yeah.
Lady, me not fast with
And what
you.
you do then?
Me don't fast with mad people.
Where
better for them.
Of course, with them, I just speak it. It's them will hurt me because you don't care how to all of
If it hurt you, why you not gonna help her? It hurt you, go ahead and help her, man. Help her.
No. A good man. You say because then say, I always the people them when they treat and do so, I gonna make it in a life. They say anytime me make it, me want know and see. Me want know and see. Where you go do anytime I make it. You know what I want to do? Want anytime she this and she that and because our hope and faith.
Yeah.
Anytime he make it, want to beg him.
Oh, that will never happen.
Okay.
As I told Professor right now, Shanice now making no way in her life. Shanice will always be a handicap and a housewife and a maid. She will forever clean. Babe, you said if the girl licking your face, me not defend you. What you want now, no? Oh, turn up yourself.
You see? At least she know if you do this, something there. If you forget one man, you can't go please him, man. Because you can't do.
Don't worry yourself.
Alright, you go climb
No,
with man.
hire Shanice said you have to clean everything on my man yard. Me don't need nobody else. Me have a sister.
Hire Shanice without
Yes.
subject. What
Yes. Yes.
All you. Next time I don't fast with me.
Me a fast with you, I fast with my friend for. Go on, girl. Are you tough? You see, you make a girl beat me. Defend me, I'm friend if it defend me.
Girl beat you. Girl beat you. The girl come, she said the girl come like she intelligent. Me girl have to go over here and lick Shanice in her face because I make your friend come power with her fast with me.
Right, you never deal with me now.
Chuck off her face, you know. Because she make a little maga friend.
Alright, friend, calm down.
Me feel offended, you know.
Me feel offended too.
Me feel so offended.
I look dirty, tough, turby girl and take off her slippers. What she think she gonna do with that?
She's gonna lick you in your face with it. Because remember, say
you have to defend me.
How me gonna defend you? You see me if you defend myself then with the word when they come out her mouth. You never see that? You never see that? Where
I see you.
Yeah.
So
Back
I'm
me now
saying.
talk. Girl, come go here. Me come go. I feel so embarrassed by you.
So you're gonna make you get about me? What if you get about me again? Alright, later.
You get buck here.
Me go, remember say me go carry the clothes.
We don't go up your yard. Looking at a dictionary and search up some big word. If
Yeah.
we see her again, because it can be a big word she know.
Alright. Yeah.
Oi. Mama. Get up and tap ball. You there, Baba. It's up for Baba. Listen to me now. You see, next time you make you wanna be friends with me on the road and face it with me and my friend, they're gonna thump in your yard. And they're gonna make mommy and daddy thump in your yard, you know. Who we are telling a friend about me panty for? When me blood up. We are tell her about it for. Me get panty for go wash out and go wash out the panty. You gotta tell her. I'm a chimney now. It's if you take out this shit out of the chimney, can go dash away. You gotta tell her. Where you gotta tell her my business for? You gotta tell her my business for. Girl. Asha.
She come over here when we didn't wash them.
Look how, so make your friend top come over here. Me no feel like say me need nobody for come look pa me panty them and then look pa me chin pot. You understand?
Make your friend top
And
come
you
over
can't
here.
no, my friend not to come here. My friend close them for wash tomorrow. To me, I call mommy and daddy. Mommy and daddy. Mommy! Daddy! Me I tell them. Me I tell them. Me I chat.
What go on with us?
You don't want no say. You see, sister make her friend come for the work and share me about Jimmy pot and something.
What? That's what me I tell you about this crosses, bad cause daughter you have, you know.
No, listen. You can't call the younger one crosses. A destruction this year.
Yes.
You listen, me just come off a road, just go pick up a piece of food and me not even reaching good me hear me name a call. Eh? I say you behave.
So what caused that now?
Say if I say you behave.
Little girl, your father talk to you.
Me not think because every time she come here contact things in the listen and you do not ask the other side of the story. Then run with fear side. Me no want hear nothing.
You know, say you know, like she a virgin again. Me need her to care, go take a test soon.
Long time.
Me need her to care, go take a test soon. Cause he come like he want to start follow the bigger one now. I say you behave.
No, she not follow the bigger one because Kayla no give no problem. I wish she follow Kayla. I wish she didn't follow Kayla. I want if we should have stopped her.
As I seen her
We should have stopped her one.
It's the share ball. Don't watch them tears there.
Done the
Crocodile
crocodile tears. Done the crocodile tears. It now
Yeah,
fool
pretend
nobody
that.
in here, so.
Listen to me. We don't need to worry about she right now, you know, because I say piece of food me just go pick up in like 5 million the board and give me, you know, so you can cash, you know.
That me talk about.
I go plan to buy all a new bike next week and
know, I love you, that
so we can tap a walk in, you know.
And the tree I will to concentrate on.
Yo, I want you to use this and buy something for you too, you know. Put this in your pocket.
Thank you, laddie.
So me hold this I'll give you some more to this after I done buy bike. You see me? Yo, get up and go wash your plate.
Yeah, man.
Get up and go wash your plate.
Me just wash plate. Clear.
Yo, me just came and plate from out the road and me just eat it on the road. You need to wash out right now.
Then yo man fi wash it.
Get up and go wash up your plate right now.
And who you expect to pick that up? Who for you? Who clean in here? Who for but that sir don't pay for me do it, man. Go kill it.
Let me lick out the teeth in a sign now.
Me will kill it, you know.
Get up and go wash out the plate.
Like how me give you life, me can take your life.
Make sure it clean. Lick in your face. That me make you know. Make sure it clean.
I'm not glad you not follow shit.
No, and our friend I'll chop me on the road. That's why me nasty.
Listen to me. Moy, listen to me good. I plan to Senegal College, you know.
Yeah, right, Danny.
Moy, take a Cosmo work and then little type of work there. You see me?
Yeah.
Front desk. Think I just show you. Let me buy something for you and I come. What that in That's
Mommy.
Idiot. She don't know how to please people.
Hey, mommy.
Yeah, she's a wuss. She sting before she learn how to make honey.
Just make her friend and shame me on the road. Make her friend and shame me on the road.
I buy this. You know how much money for this?
No, daddy, thanks.
Moy, you
Real
start
here too, you know?
doing here. And I'll get the hand so you can't do your nails till you come more.
Yes,
you see me?
daddy.
You see in the day I see her behave like a she?
No, daddy.
Ring off your head in here, so. You hear me say?
Daddy.
So make sure me tell me come around your bed always spread up on the room clean.
And she wrote up a bed and me put up it this morning and she wrote tea up.
What? So she always do be.
What you say, babes?
She always do it. She every time Kayla sweep and you see what she do. And Kayla sweep the room, you know.
Tell me look quite money
No more need that. No more need that.
You see me? See if I can make the daughter future here bright.
Yeah, me think you could go get one son now.
No, expensive. The expensive bad.
Yes, me think you could go make one son now.
Yeah, man.
Take it up off the ground, you know how much money for that?
Oh, sorry, daddy.
Keep it here, so.
It's too big, it can't hold up there.
Yeah, man,
Oh.
see? If you're not trying, no.
Hey, you're not learning. Hey, come on.
Alright.
So, work to go do that. Yeah.
Oh, God. The life. You feel like I said I never pregnant?
Your auntie?
They said I never
Your
pregnant.
auntie?
They said I never pregnant.
Your auntie?
Yo.
Gonna start already.
Oi.
She a lick me.
Oi.
Where you coming at, Concy?
Me tell her I say bed down bread gun. And she a call lick me. Me never lick you. Don't lick me.
A simple thing for spread the bed. What voices have to raise?
What you do?
You know me
You
don't
start
like
the morning, girl. If me ever hit in my hand and box you, piss to them. No bother with your redness.
Listen to me, bro.
What you say? What you really say, girl? What you really say? Open your mouth and say it to me good. What you really say? What you really say? About shit, what?
me want shit.
Mm-hmm.
That me say.
Mm-hmm. I must see that to hear you say. I must see that. Cause I couldn't hear and quick.
Hey, babes, I go on your work, you know. So I go leave you to talk to them and deal with the right thing. You see me? You see you? Make sure you sweep off the floor. You see me? And spread up your clothes them. You? You know for your daily work, you know. Wash out the plate. You see all I grass them in the yard. You see all I grass them in the yard. Make sure you use your finger and pull them out one. And make sure me come in and see no garbage in the yard, no. That may make you know, no. Come and see, yeah, go on like see. See, I go on like say you run there. Hey, no, me kill you, you know.
Start the day wrong.
Hey, yes, me go up on the work, you know, because I remember say, both them call me say, both them ready and see.
Yeah, man.
Grow up!
Hey! You see that?
Me?
You see that?
Touch me. Mouth smell like a good farm.
Hey!
Mommy, me Me don't feel like you want to sleep on the
No, man. Your daddy give you that fiddle, but she rank with me. So here what's gonna happen? No. You are gonna sweep the floor. You are gonna straighten up the clothes them. Right? And anything else we can think of. And top everything else.
The bed not spread up good, make sure you
No, the bed not spread good. Hi, picnic. Done with it.
The bed not spread up
For that, Kayla was going to wash up. You have to wash up. Oh, yeah, shout after. You wash up and everything.
Rank and bright.
And you wonder why people deal with you so you have no manners. You just huggish. You just huggish so.
Manners go both ways.
Me, I gotta deal with you.
Me, I gotta deal with you.
I'm hungry.
Let me go get the belt and come in and see if you give the attitude. Let me go get the belt and come in. You think say true you grow like a 1 inch, you're a big one.
No, 1 or 2.
You're a big woman. Let me go get the belt and see how big you
are. Go on feet and like get to the outside instead.
Alright, me and you. But me gonna see who she gonna lick.
You hungry now?
Honey and me.
You hungry now? No man has the only girl.
Me and me.
Me just say bed now bread good. You hungry?
You and me. Cannibal me and me.
And me foot them want scrub. They want scrub because they look ready now. Mappy floor goal at daytime.
We don't put the tongue pan your mappy.
You don't put the tongue pan your map nothing, you know. Me really see you get rank from the other day. Mommy and daddy can't control something like you.
No.
You need help. You need serious mental help, can you understand?
Me need help, what you need?
Me don't need nothing. All me need is a food for eat this morning. I'm hungry, me
hungry.
hungry.
And me. Mrs. Cannibal.
Me don't chat, me hungry.
Me don't chat too.
Come on, easy. My mama tells me hungry.
And me did push you out in a Savlamar hospital. Out of under you see you come from. Yeah, tell me see you hungry like you want me grow this to go cook and give you. Sit down and wait, Panny. Feel salty pot, watch.
Can you see I'm hungry? My girl, me. What go on, girl? I close up them, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, give me them.
And then you wash them.
Oh, I'm going to wash them. Wash them, give her them.
Don't carry no clothes, come give me, because you're not enough.
Hold on. Watch ya. Watch ya. Mommy! 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 She needs a fight off my friend, mommy! 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 She see my friend coming here and I fight off my friend, mommy!
What happened? Mommy! Little girl! If you ever met me broke my shoes today. You let me broke my shoes. How are? Me carry clothes and this little ugly girl.
No, I might close them.
Yeah, me carry. She carry clothes coming for me wash.
No, mommy.
Clothes. Because me know that.
Yes, because Sarah left her clothes. Yeah, them to wash, mommy.
Me know you get old, but me know you not lose the senses them. You still like Kayla clothes?
My clothes, that. Take out my clothes, them.
You still like Kayla clothes? Kayla, see the girl that take out the clothes, them.
Take out the dirty clothes.
This look like Kayla clothes.
Don't take out the dirty clothes.
Me ask you something. You buy none of them here?
Here what? You make me broke my shoes. Me know you not pay for. You make me broke my shoes. Your daddy buy me. I said, what kind of lace guys in here?
None of
You
them.
all lick me. And call me shit. So here what?
Lady.
Me recognize these as Taylor, so watch them.
You don't see none of them.
Who you fling clothes after? Get out of the yard before we done you. Fling back after who? Mommy, don't make me broke my shoes. My good shoes from foreign.
Mommy, you need to stand up like daddy. You say daddy talk to she have to eat up in her shell. When every time you talk to mommy, she go some mama lick her up to eat her.
I'm afraid to kill her, you know.
Look how she touch me clothes and on the ground, mommy.
And she not buy none. Make me broke up my shoes, she not buy none.
Mommy, if your slippers did don't go a long time.
No, the new ones your daddy bring me. That's why I'm so mad. Are the new ones your daddy bring
You
me?
get them wash. Go on your yard.
So tell me something. I hope for close it to.
I'm friend close them, but me want sister fi wash them. She fi wash them, not you, mommy.
You know, say, she brighten out harder. No, I agree with you. Normally, no. And she ranking out hard and she deserve a lesson. And everything we are trying with her, she don't want to learn.
Right, mommy.
Make she wash them. Tell your friend them to bring more clothes.
You go tell her, let me see her.
Tell her to bring her man clothes.
Bring more clothes. Come here, girl.
Hey, man, tell her to bring grim clothes. Grim clothes are there, yeah. Bring that clothes.
And bring your papa clothes, them come. Carry them in, mommy. Carry me in. Carry me in.
Hold on, why me I carry them in the face, Lord? Carry them. Why? Now, God. If I have a bad time to... Oh.
You could dirty girl. I can't cast clothes for the people to damn me wash. Close your think I'm molly. What, my girl?
No, wait fire there.
Me run her back.
I do what?
Girl, come run her so.
Don't tell me say wash out, wash Kayla clothes.
Girl, I kill her clothes. That's the worst part about it.
Are your mother clothes?
No.
Your papa?
No.
Who else?
A little dirty girl named Riri.
Wait, you look maga girl.
Yes, the one day.
So
Something I look for use. Take up a water out of the drum, girl.
Don't me glad that happened. Don't throw no water in that. Cause anyway, I'll be back.
Mama, me ever watch them before little ugly woman come around and when they see me mama.
Don't do it, me say. Just wait, just cool.
Alright, hurry up and come back, girl. Hurry up.
Don't even move. Turn up yourself. Don't move. Don't throw no water in that. Mother. I say come. Hey, girl. Are you have me up on the road that look like no mad enough? Let me ask you now. Why you feel like you want to carry your moldy, dirty clothes them go over my best friend yard to wash? Huh? Yeah, like you don't hear me.
Mama.
Don't move on
My
me.
friend tell me I can bring my clothes to the laundry.
So if you tell if you jump off a cliff, what you do?
Me jump.
So go and go jump. Hey, girl. Go.
Yes, if two you feel me don't afraid. Girl, let me go.
Put me down. You feel me, friend?
Yo.
Put your carrier come here for.
Nothing on the clothes them. Me go fever. Do it from me.
You must say, girl, you see me Freda, but me don't Freda. I should kill her down. Some of my friends never Freda when me come.
Don't talk to me, no, I don't like you.
Shut up before I knock you in the face with the bapper. Here. Put it. Oh, water their pipe. Come here, so. Rinse them. Wash your dirty clothes. You shouldn't even use the people them water.
They have to turn on the pipe and grow.
Me no business. Turn on yourself. You're not gonna help our media. Sure. Come on, know what's wrong with it. You think you're big and bougie? My best friend, you walk out, take advantage of me. Her best friend, I'm even ask this girl to wash my clothes. The girl get me upset, you know, man. Bright.
Give me clothes them.
Wash them.
Take them up.
You feel treat one can go. I can manage two on, you know. I don't afraid you are gonna kill them.
You know what? You said I come hungry the girl. All of that takes strength. I am hungry. You hungry? Okay, well me, I'll go over I go find something to eat. So if you're me back later.
Alright, me go sit on another door.
Go in, I'll go sleep. If you're tired.
Me don't think me want go in. Me go sit on another door.
Somewhere go and go breeze. Walk and clear your mind. I don't make nobody take advantage of you.
Alright, later.
Yeah, later.
Hey, good baby.
Hold on, give me a moment, mommy. Hello, you can come back in the next couple minutes, please. Me I deal with a real important business right now. Okay. terrible that, ma'am. Mommy, you need to talk to Shanice, mommy. Me don't like how she treats you. Man, why she done something to you? She had dash the bug pan you, man. Me don't like that.
like it neither. Me have a plan
This
for
is what we
she.
gonna do. Yes, when daddy come, we all want to go, so we gonna say it goes, so we must talk it, make daddy believe. Because he come like a care manager, only daddy alone can't do that, you know.
And you know, have to work too
So
hard.
what we are going to do is when daddy come in, we are going to tell daddy say, yeah, push on our tribal living here, want us and push you, don't make daddy know if we deal with her.
Who there?
Sit there.
Hey, baby, you come.
Who there?
We're glad to say you come. We're glad to say you come.
Why?
Oh, God, baby, all right.
Somebody kill me out the bed, son.
Yeah, man, you look tired for true. Come, sit down.
Is real.
Come sit down, baby. Come sit down. You look tired.
It's so nice still. Yes, bye.
Buy food.
KFC fan on this.
I know, say you love me, you know. I know me love you.
I don't see this, man.
Thank you.
So, everything I run off, everything I run off.
Why? Sit down first. Let me make you sit down. Let me make you sit down first.
Alright,
Come in and sit down and rest off. Because,
How she looks so?
she know why. A beer trouble she there again. What? A beer trouble she there again. I cuss off. I fling back. I push me down.
You know I'm becoming nothing good in life, my daughter. Every day I see him attitude. One thing. Hold this. This is for brush your teeth as.
You see what me there talk about, baby?
No wonder why you're
You see what me there talk about?
Stink. Hold this and brush your teeth. And make sure you brush it every morning. And ramp with me. How you look so warm to you?
Can I carry your friend dirty clothes and come over here for me wash?
You
and then
lie.
I see. I'm talking about Akela clothes them. And she don't even know.
No, daddy, me tell you the truth, daddy. I'm a friend in bar, me close them.
Yeah, friend.
Yes, Riri.
You know our man, my scream daughter from down the road.
Gingy.
Yes. And me close them to the bar, she carry them back and me tell her to go wash them.
You know, see how I'm wicked. You ever see
I'll
Gingy?
fight me.
You ever see Gingy have a problem? So you try to sit up Riri now.
If you're gonna listen to one such story, why ask me my side? Oh, that makes sense. Why waste my time?
One side of which story? For your side sound like legit.
Then if you never legit, why you want to hear it every time? It never yet legit to you. What should do from morning? Ask her. Every day you come, you ask me what me do from morning.
Remember so when I leave out this morning, me tell me daughter to spread up the bed and sweep out the house. And in here it's very clean.
She spread up the bed.
Of course, I'm gonna see her fingerprint them on the bed and everything. What you talk about? What you do?
Ready to take credit that don't belong to
what you do? Make sure me come out the door, yet me see say grass then clean up for her back, and that me make you know.
She not do nothing. What? She not do nothing. She there a fight. She can't brought the slippers, the brand new slippers you buy me. She push me down a dirty. You know, see me have to change my clothes. She push me down a dirty.
Mommy, Gingy, she fly to Gingy daughter.
You don't know what I'm going here. You don't know what I'm going here when you're not there, babe.
So, babes, wait till me say I make a little girl a roll up.
Me have to shut her a box, but it raise my pressure.
Babes, you make a little girl a roll up.
Hi, what you do? Remember, I'm a Shanice this, you know.
Babes,
I'm a Shanice this, you know.
You make a little girl a roll up.
And you make she get so, you know. And you make she get so. And you make it so. And you make it so.
Babes.
Who you think you are grab?
Babes.
Who you really think you are grab?
Babes.
Show me shorter than you. You think you can manhandle me? Me no name Shanice.
You see, if you know I'm cut off this year.
Hey, I did you on dead. I did you on dead.
And the right thing in that yard. Hey. Good way here.
Hey, just go sleep.
And listen to me.
Cut nothing and go sleep.
Proud of you.
About
yes,
cuts.
Daddy.
I'm very proud of you.
Yes.
Continue to do good in life, okay?
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
You have to do hard work out the road.
Me work hard.
Yes,
and she say I love me, make me put you up in my place. You hear? So you more have to take care of them and stop making that get out of hand.
And you have to deal with her. Right. Maybe when you deal with her. Come here, go kill her, you know.
I don't want
and
to
me bring her here, me can take her life.
I'm very proud of you.
Yes.
Okay? Continue to do good and good will do you, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
I'll buy your present tomorrow, okay?
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah.
And she forget the present, she and me.
Yes.
And she and me forget the present
then.
then.
Love on yourself.
When the deal may be rough, you know.
Only one kiss her more in front day.
Alright, later. Me and you later.
Alright, this. Alright.
Work. Let's learn believe it. Let's see how we believe it.
Mommy, you see next time that you talk, you calm down. Because while I go me see G up here, you think you drop down.
No, him not do me nothing, man. Him not do me nothing. Because what me give him not get out of road. So him not gonna do me nothing. But me like how you play it. You see how I'm proud of you. Me proud of you too.
Yeah, put on the comb.
Me proud of you too.
I like it.
Alright, me gonna heat this up, it kind of cold, and me and you share, because your father eat already. And she don't deserve no food.
Alright.
I give her the bone and the scraps. Alright, me gonna heat it up again.
Yeah.
Me soon come. Scrap she forgets.
Baby, go on. No, that's what mommy did in the room. Let's go look for one in there. Ooh. But sure. Our yeah, I might try to use the phone now.
We're not on the phone.
That we have whatever that one name in
What is it?
The iPad.
Spell iPad.
We're not spelling the iPad.
You can't get it then.
Give me the iPad.
No, I'm not think me want to get an iPad. Me think say, if you go clean the bathroom.
No. Me not clean no bathroom.
So what go clean?
No bathroom whatsoever. Anybody that clean bathroom is you.
Me tired for walk and work because you and your ugly mama. Cause I know my mama that's not your mama. Me tired for work. No, I'm there. Me come to me swap me hospital. Look pan them and look pan for you and look pan for you. They no resemble. I just you are
this me mother.
Me tell you say to her no ugly.
You really are this mother and man here, Shanice?
No, cause me can't tell her in front of her.
It's me mama. It's me mama. Yeah, this me mama. We are this me mama for girl. Yeah, idiot. Yeah. Oh, this me mama. Give me this too. Tired of you going to break and rank. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, what?
I want to
You are what? Where want you?
What no?
Right.
I want to
You beat her?
Yeah.
What you beat her for?
She a call you ugly. She want this my mother.
Know which mirror she looking at. Let me get one too. Let me get one too. Oh, long to get some slap and lick. Short her, they're rude.
Hey, give me already, you know. I want to
You better follow the cowball in the action act. Or crocodile.
You lick her?
Yes, I'm a liquor but daddy.
Feel it them can't even mash hands. How should we feel it them?
Because you are pretty.
Yo, get up. Get up out that bed.
Look at the bed Kayla just spread and she mesh it up already.
Get up, spread the bed.
Yes, so that's how we are fight. Because she a pretty and she call money ugly.
Almighty God. What?
She call money ugly.
Four babes think I'm ugly.
Be your mommy.
Girl. I will never know certificate that shit.
Video.
Hey, you see when they want that shit, Bill, me should tell us if you do it.
And one time you agree with you, know?
Almighty God. She really said about her mother?
Yes.
Miss sorry me bring her up.
What she say about me? What she say about me?
She said, all you goof off it talk and chat a morning time. What? You not feed her, you abuse her.
Oh,
You said about me, daughter?
Damn rude.
You said about me? It's alright. It's alright. Tell her I'm a princess.
Listen me.
Don't make she get for your head.
Listen.
I'm a queen, me don't want you to make she get for your head.
It's hard, but me I try.
Tell her my boss just called me. And the road me I go to go deal with criteria business then, you see me? You know no rope.
You find some.
Find something man, cause me need her to pay up so she can't stop. Molest my princess here, so better we send her a cops, you know.
Cops not gonna accept she.
Right, better we send her a
She too
cops.
rotten for cops.
I can't believe your mouth say you. He ain't give telling her belly 2 more days. Any of the telling her babes belly 2 more days turn one boy. And them the way they operate. And nasty.
The one thing you should have dashed when you this in the world.
You can't even put a ear knee together like I'm a princess here, so. Kayla, look on Kayla. Eh? From morning, I just a beard. Hey,
She
babes.
not bad, she just wipe herself. You know, see how the water clean same way. And look how she dirty and her mind dirty.
I go look in the phone with her work.
She not did.
I go look in the phone with
She
her
just
work.
wet the rug and come out.
Make sure you're beard. And that may make you know. Hey,
And
yes.
give a bad name.
So
Yes,
come on.
baby, walk good.
Princess.
Alright, daddy, bye bye.
Princess.
Yes, daddy.
Princess.
Yes, daddy.
Knowledge.
Yes, daddy.
Knowledge.
Yes, daddy.
Remember, me give you something to go on.
Yes, daddy.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Later, babe.
Later, baby. You don't know what to do with you.
Dirty girl. Right, go your style, me mother. Who is you?
Who is she?
So here what?
Let she look up me here now. She there too long.
Kayla did spread the bed. Re-spread the bed. The bed needs re-spreading. And it's time the mattress turn over to
Yes.
and air out.
Yes, mommy.
For true. And me see where you throw things from the floor. So sweep up the road. Sweep up the house.
Come, work.
Maybe if you could do some cleaning, might clean your mind and clean your spirits. Cause you need some
Mommy
cleaning.
get down, mommy get down. She not know me.
She must know. She must
No,
know.
make
Take
it up.
one phone call.
Make
One
it
phone
up.
call. Come out and start fat. I don't want to see you so pussy in your mouth. You're sound my belly. You're sound my belly, man. Come out.
Right.
Sour me up.
Kayla. Welcome, girl. Run. There, good. Me there, girl. What's up? Say I still know where you come from. I know, say I'm from here. Me come from. Me come back and check up me. I walk down on the road. Mr. Girl, the other day me hear more from me. That what happened?
You don't know what I say. Your little tough sister call her best friend. Our best friend come look for me out the road, lift me up out the road, carry me over your yard, girl. Want me to carry, take on my dirty clothes them. So my clothes them did not get to wash.
But yeah, he just came, girl, I call her to come over here. Mommy! You don't understand, girl. I just realized you can't fight.
Oi.
Come here.
Hi.
Hello. Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We can go on the road?
Yeah, man, where you go?
No, my friend just take a walk.
Alright, go cool off. Alright, walk good. Be careful.
Bye-bye.
Alright, be careful.
We'll come back.
Walk good. And watch the road. What you do? If you have time to lean, you have time to clean. What you do? Little girl, may I talk to me, not talk to myself. What you do?
Oh, God have mercy. Even when me not there near where you find me.
Look how much thing in the yard for do. You sit down and your ass and do nothing. Like say nothing there for do. Look the dirty water in front of you, you don't even know for try it where I'm up out the place. Look on the litter. Look on the rubbish in front of you, just sit down there. And you wonder why me and your father mad with you the whole time.
Wonder why you mad with yourself.
Are you drive me mad?
Me drive me mad.
You
Don't
have
worry.
you see the
One
yard
day you no go see me. So I'm one day here for drive
well,
me mad.
while
now.
you're there, you're under the roof. While you're there, you have to do something. Come man, ready up yourself and sort out the place. Sort out the place. You're too lazy and slight and slow. You're mad my head. Why sure you still a dirty with the dirt, man? Come man, find something to do. That's why we can't stand you.
Let me just move fine for that. Get the earth up my head. Trish! Kenna girl!
Who I call you?
Me there here. What?
No. Me there walk past and me hear commotion about.
So what if you hear a commotion in my yard? Me can't talk in my yard, little girl. Me and my daughter talk. Me I put my daughter right. You still there?
You blind?
Yeah, you don't feel like
You want me to shut you up? So go do something, man.
Girl,
Little
yeah,
girl, she
that
can't
woman
do
you
nothing
know want me
now.
go now here.
Let me tell you something. Here and now. Me I go into the room.
We
All
are
this better clear up. All of this better clear up before I come outside. Oh. And nobody make she tarry me either because she's like
What
so
you mean, like
slurry.
shit are you? When so shower do I go clean up then?
So she not have 2 hands and 2 foot. Her hand and foot join church.
Your
Don't bother rank with me, you know.
Miss me not rank with
Don't bother rank with you.
I'm just flipping a question. I am not ranking with you. If I ask you one question, I rank with you. But me say me
No,
come
your
over and I
tone.
wanna rank with you.
No, your tone.
No, this is my original tone. I can pitch high and I can pitch low, and this is my low. So no, but it unfair. She got to come zinc or something. What if you cut her?
She not do nothing in the yard.
Oh no, miss. I am her best friend. You can't tell me nothing. You wanna hear it in Spanish?
You are gonna tell me how to run with my yard?
No, me.
Two girls me bringing in this
if
world.
You are on
and
this
two
yard,
girls me raised.
and then look, you are one alone you raise. Let me tell you
Let's
that.
see, you know
the last one literally raised herself because me did it with her through thick and thin. I know how to mistreat her. And
so are you make she get her enough this from?
Yes, me
Come go in yard because I don't want to rub off on my child.
I'm rub off already. Me
see it.
So
now I know what the cause is. See,
Which cause?
Inside where she belong. And she doing what she's supposed to do. If you want to know here with the puss and the dog and the rubbish where you belong, I feel your business. Me don't talk. Me don't talk.
No, if you go chat about take away the rubbish and so. Miss, you already take away yourself. You're the rubbish. No more no the if take away. Yeah, biggest rubbish right here. So I don't understand this. Why you tell me about not with rubbish? I did already deal with rubbish. Lord, so many. Janice!
Girl, right now, I even want to walk in. Me just want to run off and right. So I straight to flat cleaner. Me no can't, but I will come back in and I can't. And I can't pick no more.
What you mean run away?
Run for yes.
You know, for run away. I guess remember me did I go 3 sets and like you, but me no one counselor, him help me and something. You want to go meet? You want to go check? Go check him. You carry that boy run away, girl, and run away left me. Half up, man. What could I tell her?
I'm tired.
Mr. Jones. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, I'm my best friend come back because she did
Good
Evelyn. Evelyn. What happened now? Where's happened?
He said I plan to kill himself and run away. So my carer come to you.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
For what?
You're no counselor, sir?
Yeah, but why? What the reason why no want me to talk to her about? Me not really have none chain, but give her that bucket now. She sit down right here, so.
Mr. Jones, I never no chair. Bring me always sit down. Come catch your back behind me.
What's the problem you have at home now?
Yeah, me can't manage no longer. Oh, your name Mr. Jones?
Yeah, Mr. Jones.
Alright, my name is Shanice.
Uh-huh.
I'm just tired.
Tired of what?
Tired of the ill treatment.
Ill treatment. Oh, caused by family. Which one of them family members?
My posse, everybody did it. I feel like they swapped me in hospital.
Alright, my daughter, I'll be soon talk to you. Yeah, my niece. Go on one side, my daughter.
Sir, make up your mind. Your niece or your daughter?
My niece and daughter in one. I adopt her. I adopt her from my sister.
Alright, continue.
Because my sister don't know how to maintain child, you know. But anyway, as I said now to you, you see, things like this will make people hang themselves or want to murder themselves. We have to look at life the next way. Where you see a future.
I see.
You don't see a future?
If they not send me to school, how me go see?
You ever try to teach yourself?
Me don't have no time, so I can't understand. As me wake up, me have to pray the bed. Wash plate, wake up the yard, wait for my sister to carry her dirty clothes and give me for me wash them. Then our dirty friend carry her clothes can give me for me wash them too. Then me have to go to the door, go use machete and cut up the yard.
No.
Then, me don't have no time. Me don't have no time itself to do No self-teaching.
Now your hand tell me say
Yeah, me use my hand because the cutlass half a angle gone.
Your mother work?
No,
Your father work?
sometimes.
Sometimes. So, who give the rules in the house for you and your sister?
Mother. No, as in my father say A, as in turning back my mother say B, C, D.
So she flipped the thing and give everything to do.
Yes, and when he come and me explain to him, he know and listen to me. He say me I tell him lie.
Yeah, how much?
17.
17. You have a boyfriend? So why are they cheating like this?
No.
The first year jacket, sir.
Huh?
I feel like
No, it's not a matter of jacket. It can be something wrong with the family. It can be.
nothing wrong with the family because our father brown, right?
Uh-huh.
And our mother dark. And she come light and say, he makes one for my mother, dead stamp my mother, literal copy and paste. And then she know we not take no after none of them.
Alright, you wanna know. Cause when you catch me now, I'm bad time still, but it don't really matter to me right now. Cause I love to talk to people. People like Uno have plan to hang on yourself. Life is sweet, you know. Life is sweet.
No experience the what they.
You can't think about hang yourself. You have to think, oh, cause you say you're 17. When you're 18. December, right. So you have to think, say, where you want to be in the next lifetime, even when you're 18. Because practically when you're 18, you can walk out.
But go here, sir. If me don't have no subject, come here get work in order for rent somewhere.
No, sometime in life, you know, we are teaching. I'm tired of that. It's like me have to go work one school here. You don't have to have subject for work. Because I see people with 10 subjects sit down. Some of them mad out. Some of them are wheel up with teacher. The system. Then charge you for subject, but they don't want you to get none. I told them I make money off a hit. Why then charge you for subject and yeah, we want the subject is the future. No, look at me. I don't got no subject.
You don't got no future.
I mean have a good quality. See, me can maintain anything. Right?
Oh.
By owning my own business.
Where they?
You don't need to ask me where it is. Right now, see, I'm here come to for advice.
Me never really come here for no advice, you know. She carry me come here, because I did done make up my mind. Is either hanging or running. One need to work.
Young miss, talk about hanging and running.
Me will run.
Where you gonna run to?
God.
Yeah, everybody run to God. All right, this is the thing. Do you believe in God?
Them must believe in God.
Right. When you pray to God, what you pray for?
Mother dead.
For your mother dead, this is the thing. You pray to God for your mother to dead. You think God is that wicked? Huh?
God, I go watch them sit down and watch how they ill treat me. If you're in that wicked for watch, that thing can't do anything else.
All right, I'm going to leave you the advice because this is the last thing I want to say to you. You see, when you go home, you go down on your knee and pray. But you don't pray for what you want. It's not going to happen. You understand? You see, anything you pray for, now go come true. Me can tell you that. You pray. Just pray. That's all you need to do. Pray. You get up in the morning, you pray. You go on your bed, you pray. Do not pray for what you want. It now go happen. Because you have some of them people here, then get up and pray to God for good man or good woman. No. It's not going to happen like that. God is going to look on you and say, oh, only when you want things, you come pray to me. God don't like that. You want something, but don't mention it in it. Just pray. God is going to answer your prayer. When they always a silent prayer, come true, meaning, why you pray to God, you know, and what in your silence come true, you know. Because you not mention that. That's a silence, something you want it, but you not pray for it. So you see, if you pray for your mother dead, it not going to happen. You can be the one that die. Or your father. You understand? So don't pray for what you want and tell anybody out there. When you pray, don't pray for what you want. God don't like that. God, you want one car, see ya. Father God, let me get a car, dear God. Look how Master June get a car. Father God, please, I beg you. No, God not like that. Just pray. Just get up and pray. Thank you, God. This and that. Just pray. You understand? She, before me used to counsel her, she used to have a little banger. And every time she said she had pray for her phone, I tell her stop to pray. Stop praying for her phone. Just pray to God and see it there. God bless her with her phone. You understand? You don't pray for things because you want it.
Pray and then make it good treatment.
Just pray. Just pray.
When we pray, I'm gonna get food to eat.
Just.
I'm gonna stop starve. I'm gonna stop work on myself like me and maid.
Just pray. That's all I can tell you, sir. Just pray. We need to pay attention to my niece now. So, we can check back another day. Just pray. And then you come back and tell me how things work out. Mr. Aisha?
No, who names us, sir?
No, your right name?
No.
How your name again? Come back to my yard.
Come back to phone.
My niece? All right. Time for you go and go eat. Go on.
Easy, you know.
Yubs!
Hey!
Bye-bye!
You're good.
Bye-bye!
Good to see you. Glad to see you.
Baby.
You alright?
What do you man mean to me alright this morning?
Yeah, man, you look alright.
Happy day.
Always happy day when you're around.
Babes, today's sweeter. I want to sit me by.
Oh no, what you have?
This. Yeah, let's cook flour business. I can't flour business.
Yeah, man, I'm tired of flour. I'm tired of flour.
You know how much pound rice that, babes?
This is about £3.
6 pound, babes!
Ah!
3 pound alone wanting on my plate.
Yeah, man.
That them pick me and them out food too, you know.
I'm not even going to show the other one.
That. Hey, so one night, that we do it. Yeah, tell me if you do it longer, I couldn't bother with it.
You understand?
Get the buck up, you know.
Ah, tonight I got really sweet.
Trouble when
tonight
I
got sweet. My volcano I got rock tonight.
Well, I know, babes. It's a few pitney them in our day. They have to go share this because couldn't bother to buy too expensive.
No, man, that's a for killer.
Huh?
That's a for killer.
Babes, it's a for me too pitney them. They have to go share. What is this?
All right. That's a for the other one.
You know what this for?
That's a for the other one.
No,
Miss
babes.
Badmouth.
The way I kiss one night, babes. Actually, me never did want to tell you, babes. So this is a for kind of. You know, if you use my toothpaste, this is me, this is a brush out your mouth, babes. This is me, else. Look a bit. Can't wash your hair too. Babes, man. This can't wash your hair too, babes. See, I make it drain out, because I have to test it first. I see it. I'm putting it in.
Well, Kayla, Kayla supposed to go on the road. Me never send the other one. Me tell her to clean up, and she gone.
What? You make it Pinelli for her again, babes?
Me can't stop her. I fight, she won't fight me. Take it in there, I fight, she won't fight me.
I forgot to get cut of my life or something.
You and your picnic them. You picnic them, my man, we'll see Kayla here. At least she come back.
Where you come from, my daughter?
Me go apologize to my friend Riri for what happened.
Oh, princess. Why do you princess, man? That's all I do.
Yeah, I apologize to her.
Where your next sister there?
I don't know where she did.
She sneak out. That may I tell you. You come just in time.
Yo. You gonna see her?
No, I'm not saying.
You sure?
I think when I tell me glimpse her shop back with one man and war.
What?
That dirty friend come take her out to the yard.
Me
run the friend. Me inside. I take up where she leave.
What?
Can you me tell her for talk of the devil and the devil himself appear.
Where you come from?
I got one counselor.
What? So you go God road me? You go make me that go road make man counsel him? You going in the house to make man counsel you?
I'm going in the house with no counsel. Me the outside with the man and Kena.
Give me a good explanation for me not chop off your head to them, my daughter.
Chappy, Chappy, I have nothing to lose right now. You're carrying the bag.
Yeah, man, carrying the bag, put it inside. Come, me want to see this.
Where you coming from?
I go down the road. Let me just stick and tell us explaining myself. I don't make sense.
This little girl thinks she a big woman already.
Oh! So you're big
little
now?
miss.
Wake up on the road, go to my daughter. My daughter, you know, I love you, my daughter. I don't want to hurt you, my daughter. I don't want to hurt you, my daughter. Wake up on the road, go do. Which counsel you go to? So me can counsel you.
You there? If you come and me tell you say, then walk me out, you tell me say I lie me, I tell me tired to explain myself to you over and over.
Correct.
Yeah. That's how
lazy.
Hey, shut them out. Shut them out.
No,
shut them out.
You tell blatant lie.
Hey, I make my daughter go and say, and I get to study everything I go on from what day, you know. Come see when you talk to me, daughter. You know, take control and you see me them left yard. You see me them left yard?
Me them left yard.
Go and cook your food. Go on inside.
Me nah do nothing until this straighten out, but go left.
Oh, yeah. I mean, alone can't straighten out this, you know. The only thing you can straighten out is you hear them by your head, you know. Go on inside, go cook, babes. Babes, this is not the time. Babes, don't me hurt you in front of my daughter, babes. Babes, go inside.
Who you switch pan?
Babes, go inside.
Me one day, yeah. I deal with them. Thank God Kayla no get trouble.
By the way,
you know what? Me I go inside. But you stand there wait for food.
One inside.
Stand there wait for food.
One inside.
Stand there wait for food.
Don't
actually,
broke you up out here, so you know. Listen to
you
me.
know what to do.
My daughter, one thing, my daughter.
tired.
Tired of when my daughter look come here work hard, come here sweat.
Treatment.
Come here work hard to take care of you.
I work hard to take care of Kayla.
Which ill treatment every day me come here then they have to give me warning about you. One thing, my daughter.
How me if you wash, clean, cook, break, me I want me?
I know you alone do that, me not split up work for you and my daughter when time me a go.
Do not do it. When you leave, your babes turn around. This if you left and say A. When you left, babes say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All Kayla do is lie down and sleep. And when she wake up, me supposed to spread bed back after she get up.
You have a phone though?
I'm just trying myself right now.
You have a phone though?
Then she take out the phone.
Before she take you away. No only if a complaint to give to me.
You never listen to me.
You don't have a camera for your phone. You have a video something and show me if me can see proof.
I think me supposed to video not to show you. You're my father, you're supposed to listen to me.
Go on so go wash your plate them.
Show me a
go on round there so go wash your plate them. And me say me come on there all dirty you we see. Can you can tell pay lie from family them like you feel like you can turn against the family them. Hey, go and see him. Go inside, go get some feet.
She calls me the girl.
I mean, not really. I walk a look.
No, we just a walk. What happened?
So was the last. You start prayer, you know, pray.
I start prayer, but I'm not seeing no changes yet. I just can't wait till my birthday.
So what happened? Why you don't see no changes yet? That is the thing, you know. You have to pray for the changes. I have to tell you. Just pray. And everything will be alright. That's all you need to do. See. Look for your friend.
What do me?
He looks shiny, right?
Mm-hmm.
Glory upon him.
Glory now and come upon me then.
No, you can't.
I guess me if you just love glory alone.
You can't say that. I'm telling you. You're young. Free your mind. You ever sit down and talk to your father why am I him treat you? Or your mother?
I'm not talking to somebody who don't want to talk to me.
Listen, when you want people to pay attention to you, you faint like you die.
Me sure know they not look for me.
Jesus, me and you don't attend your own funeral.
Who do? So your family they really that cold-hearted?
I cannot understand.
Oh, like a different language you're talking of.
Huh?
Sorry, I don't understand English. Tabak so you see them over and over. What make you then come to you and tell a lie?
I feel like she not do. I feel like he's a problem to the family.
Oh.
I feel like he has trouble. Yeah, see me how
Him a want to, you know. You realize him a want to? Same thing when family them a say. How you feel sneak out when every day? You never get time to sleep. As you lay down sleeping, you have to get up and do back the same son them over and over for sure.
So you involve me.
I'm not involved because you say same thing like our parents.
Where you do
and the
it
same
to
son them
support
a
light
chat.
was lean up?
Current your thief, sir.
Huh?
Current your thief.
No, internet can do it on the phone too.
Girl from big
We
man.
are use people the internet too.
Girl
Hey, me
from
I
big
say,
man.
big because they are thief Wi-Fi.
So hold on, let me ask you a question.
Sir, don't stop on me, please, me I beg you.
The big old prime minister for the country, you know,
No, don't involve me. Don't, sir, don't indulge me in nothing that has to do with Jamaica. Look here, me small. If they drop one bump on me, bloops, me gone in a flash.
Right, that's what
okay, so don't say nothing to me. Yeah, thief Wi-Fi, that manageable, but don't mention nothing about Jamaica to me,
your
Prime Minister.
family know.
Right.
You need to talk to them.
About what?
Put the two of them to sit on one place.
Yeah. Put the two of them to sit on one place. Don't involve my sister.
Don't involve your sister there. Because your sister going to distract them. Just put the two of them one place and question them. Why you don't like me? Why you treat me like that? Why you give me so much work? You understand? Then you will find out the truth. So if you don't do that, what do you think I got up to you?
Me hungry. Nobody tear down my shoulder.
And I'm here, your family.
But you the help bring me down.
Me bring it down?
Yes.
Mother invite. Eh?
Invite me where?
How do you look a skittle?
I don't
know. No, the Gina.
Wait,
You know
let me
why?
have phone, sir, but me watch my mouth. You have to watch my mouth. Let me have phone.
You know why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm my sister friend,
Well,
Gingy.
she see a man carry her clothes come over there for she wash, for show you how them bright and tan. But me angler, me put her in her place.
So, you have to wash your clothes, your sister clothes, and her clothes again.
The mother and the pa.
You washing machine?
Me a washing machine everything now and wash her, rinse, everything.
You see what you don't know? And me need to talk to the parents. Because you see, me don't know. Me need to get both sides of the family. Because what you tell me can be lie. Because there's no way a parent don't make you wash your sister friend clothes. There's no way.
She tell her mother say fear clothes.
And her own mother don't know what she buy?
No look so.
You have any problem at home?
Oh, me no. Me no. Nobody can mess with this maga girl. I'm crazy.
It's still a war?
No, me top.
Oh, come and warn you about that. Fighting is not good.
So you do right also. I'll need answer that question there.
Girl in a here thief Wi-Fi.
No washing the mouth, you know.
We can't see it.
You say wash. When you cover, we use like a water.
Right. Wash out in the mouth when you talk to me, yeah? When you have manners. Don't face it with me a matter when me I do it right, yes, so. The question is, where I come from up there, so?
Me I come from me yard.
Where you are come from, kind of up so you live?
Fear yard.
So where you do a fear yard?
Oh, so I can't go visit my best friend. What a life you living? Can't you see your life sad? Very sad.
Only young girls is the definition of missing in Jamaica. Uno.
Dos.
And your parents is the definition of making kids murder themselves.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think a Spanish you account now.
No.
Anyways, me come go shop. Yeah, so later.
Never went in.
Wow.
Later.
Sorry, you don't feel like you want to buy Roland to put on your arm.
You feel like you want that bitch.
Sir, douching is wrong. Douching give you infection. Sir, you never know that. Eh? When you douche, you get infection and everything.
Kenna.
Sir, I'm not afraid of you. You're a counselor. You can't do me nothing. I'm not afraid of you. Where you think you be?
Come, girl, come. Me can't take a bus head.
I know something lick him back. Your friends. Think think me afraid of you. So not because I tell you say me put on fighting, that don't mean say me not afraid to lick you.
I feel more. Then I can't lick me down. Lawrence and a sword.
You know, here you ask me if me top fighters.
But see, where Tweedledee and Tweedledum I go? Where you come from?
When I come from where me I go.
Both.
I'm coming from my yard and I'm going down the road.
You're coming from your yard and you go back to your yard. Where you really think you go?
Where you are going, mommy?
Me the adult, you not ask me nothing. Go your yard. Nobody's saying you go nowhere. Me no business with you. You have your own appearance. Go your yard.
Lady, you can't have a business with me.
But see, ain't like anybody saying you go nowhere. Me case, man, why you walk so slight? Me case, if I ever reach you, my foot I go make you move.
Girl, see the man. When I see them, I talk to you. That man, yeah. So sorry, get what you want and then gone now. See the man here, my dear.
Are really your friend this?
You're blind, yes, I'm a friend.
You always say, show me your friend and me tell her who you are.
Where you do
Why you take up a why you take up a friend like this?
What's wrong with her?
Huh?
Turn on.
You don't see?
No.
You don't see nothing wrong with her?
There's something wrong with you. Because you're cataract in your eyes.
Something really wrong with you. Listen to me, you can't take up to my friend and make you ill-treat your sister like that.
Me not ill-treat my sister. Yeah, me make people ill-treat their sister. We are talking
And I
about.
can't fear dirty clothes them.
How tell them I sit there?
Come ye your sister for wash.
Why would I take up my dirty clothes them? Here I go give fear sister for wash. I fear clothes them when me call up and I hear them care
You
about
have
my
sense?
clothes.
You're big man that have no sense.
When she
You have
come my
sense?
yard, when she come on my yard, she leave her dirty clothes them. So I bring back her dirty clothes them. Come give her. Me and her best friend.
If Yana was best friend, you would have washed her dirty clothes them and take the clean clothes to her yard.
Me have washing machine at my yard. Me don't need that to wash my clothes.
Me don't have
them.
whole heap to wash. Me not think me could have take up no more.
Look here. Look pan her.
Come me little bit.
Look pan her good.
All
I want she wash my
me
clothes them.
to wash too much dirty clothes.
When my clothes them wash they fi clean like a whistle.
Oh, she handicapped.
Right.
Right. So she'll tell her for herself.
So why you want a handicapped friend?
Me
We can help you.
I never know that she a handicap. You know me know say she a handicap when people beat her up. I road. They tell me know say she a handicap.
Okay, why you want a friend where I call you handicapped now? You think when I try to show the level of a friend want to choose?
You're too much. Is that too much?
I don't feel no way because I truth. She's talking the truth, so why should I feel away?
Oh, my second, how you know about my family business?
I know everything. Your mother and father ill-treat your sister.
No.
Now give her no food.
It's a lie. You know why they ill-treat her? She don't have no manners. Tell me which business in them and nowadays, yeah, that chop their mama so and I fight their mama. Tell me now.
You look like your mama fear chop me.
No.
Mama
and that's why she get ill-treated because she not no mother, she not no
No
baby.
matter. Alright, listen. No child must not lick their mother, not talk too low to their mother. But the Bible says, shut your mouth. The Bible says, parents must not provoke their children to wrath. You have some of the parents them, then take out the issue, pan the picnic them. What if them and the man have problem in the bedroom, the picnic get all of the pressure?
So that's a question. The Bible never say people not supposed to provoke them parents to wrath.
Well,
The Bible never say that. The Bible never say that. That in the Bible. Well, when if you put that in the Bible because she herself is the wrath.
Well, you know what I got to say, me not busy with family business. This is my friend and I support my friend in everything that she do. Right.
You support her in everything she do.
Right. And she doing wrong, I'm gonna tell her, say, friend, you're doing wrong.
No, you just make a statement say you support her with everything she do.
Yeah.
So
Me never finish talk and you take it up on your head. Me say, me support her in everything that she do, but if me say, but if she do wrong, me go tell her see how wrong she do.
Just want to be people talking night. Move.
Girl!
You hear me say?
Mama apologize, I come out.
Come on, hear what me say.
Mama, next time I put in my father in your head.
Do like me. Rock your natural here, cause nobody can take me head pan like force. Girl, help me.
Y'all go here? Y'all go here?
Yes, me. Some man here. How are you? You can't beat me.
Look for the type of friend where you take up.
Look what type of man you be. You tell people them girl pick me. Me out for rape, you know.
You could have allowed for anything you want to allow for, as long as me know that me not touch none of them. My remember said, you know. Sound sorry. Sound sorry.
Me sorry. Me sorry. Me sorry.
Go on now.
Get two birds. Yeah.
God, no make me poor knees come so.
Clear, little girl, you asleep?
Let me see you slow your walk. Me all the time before you.
So where you was really say you are go?
Me go to the council.
What kind of counselor that be?
And council will counsel people when them parents treat them bad.
So what kind of bad treatment you say you have?
Wash plate. Prevent
them called chores. They are called chores.
To wash people clothes.
You know how long me do that and your grandparents do that?
That's for them business. When I tell them to do it.
If they never do it, you wouldn't have a house to live under. You wouldn't have food to eat and you wouldn't have a mother to come give birth to you.
Don't tell me that.
So nobody turn your nose up for people wash clothes.
When me come, I should have locked your foot.
Me should have locked it, yes. Me should have all dash you away. Well, see you there now. May I try make the best say it and every turn me turn you fight me.
Nah, fight you. You fight yourself, bad guess not kill you.
Every turn me turn you fight me.
I fight yourself, baby.
Me tired for talk to you, you know. Me tired for talk to you. I mean, I try raise you right.
Raise me wrong and see up with my broom. You right now work with me.
It now work for true. It now work for true. Can me ask you for clean his problem? Me ask you for wash his problem. You all out to the street to fight.
Okay, lad. Who me a fight?
Me here.
Anything you hear, so you go add on panic to run with it.
Can't talk to you, girl. Can't talk to you. None at all. None at all. So where you are put on nail varnish to go?
In my bed.
I must see your bed. I must see your bed. Okay, you're a real Cinderella. Come in now, say you can't put on nail varnish to go meet no man. Man out the road, me a hear and everything. You not care. You not care. Where you put on nail varnish to go?
Bed.
I must say bed because you now come out of here, Miss Cinderella.
You ever let me go anywhere?
It not stop you. It not stop you.
A while ago, me I walk with my friend and come from upon road.
Can nobody give permission for go out? Yes, babe.
Stop, boat. Go on.
Hey, there.
Hey, babes. Just a drink the crew, you know, man. We get paid and they're paid there.
You know what I? God, so know
what do you?
Me say I want to see my friend. Riri come tell me say I see my sister. Pan the road with man, turn up.
What?
The man stone me and my friend. What? Me say daddy me run.
What you really say?
Me could have run left everybody. Oh God, me thank God you know what.
What going on here?
Talk power with man.
Some man you didn't come to talk to.
I just say make sure you do in front of your face in here. It come like me a drink room and I hear a junk.
You have to stop her. Can me stop her, me put my hand on her, me I gotta take her life.
So right now better me get a better woman in my life because you're not take
you
control
really
of
need
nothing.
one.
What kind of style that? Oh, she had Q-Tex finger. Rub off that!
Yeah, much.
Let me see how you deal with her and me will learn.
Hey, where's him?
Me I say me over here, right? My friend Riri run come over here. I said to me say my sister and her friend talk with man. So I go up there, the man I tell me say how my sister said to him say we are ill treat him and one bag of
Sister like this your sister here or a girl who live a red down on your sister?
No, that one yeah.
My daughter.
You gotta breathe before time if you're in a mind sharp.
You the road with man, my daughter.
I was speaking to a council.
Oh, that vibration and put your phone on.
Which concert take meeting out of streets? Not even in the office?
Him never did a meet with him. Be there outside for him own business. I'm
How
see
this?
I'm a stop.
Answer for them, I deal with you.
Me don't necessarily overseas number that.
Kakafat. Answer it there.
Oh, man. Come on, me and the same thing.
Truth I go come out right you know.
No, this is not her, but this is her father.
The truth I come out now, you bitch you. Truth I come out.
Which company this?
Company?
You got college of foreign, me daughter.
College?
Where?
What's your name, sir?
No, the wrong name them get. I can't let them say.
So why them guys?
So why you never my next daughter? How are she alone?
College.
Where you get this a link here?
The counselor when me a talk.
Alright. Give me a moment. We're having a meeting right now, so you gotta catch up back with us later. We'll give you back a call, okay? Thanks, no problem.
The counselor when me a talk to him teach me little maths. So me did up there and me see something for sign pan and me sign pan it. So here what? Give me this. Catch me later. Yes, college.
Rotted, you have brain under the girl.
Yes. So anyways, let me throw me go shine. Let me throw my time to go shine now. No! When me did want to talk to you, you never interested. You never interested you by mannequin, you're princess.
You never bring her a counselor?
Bring her a guy which counselor. She want a counselor. What you need her for the right now, I go to the pharmacy to buy a pregnancy test and make sure piss funny. Let me try me go shine.
No, they say they need to come to my place.
Yes, me I go shine now. Oh, she know about my business and my pregnancy. Who tell her that? Who tell her my business?
You what?
Me pregnant.
Where is it?
Me pregnant, daddy.
So, me daughter, we always tell like one.
The good girl.
Are you turn out to be the bad one?
Lord God, what is for me, Lord?
I'm bad.
Princess, who you breed for? You know tell me say I use condom, princess.
You know so
she tell me say she have a little boyfriend. Listen, she's not underage. We have to make sure about one boyfriend, but she tell me say she use condom.
You never little daddy in your bag.
Lord God!
Princess, what is
it?
And that's why you get too much money.
The boss, princess. Yeah, motherfucker, up on the things.
How me coming at this?
No, daddy.
How me coming at this? Me want to see how you are gonna move me. When me coming at this, I'm me breeder.
Come.
I'm me breeder. Take your basket for your daughter for wash. I'm me breeder. Me want to see how me sitting yourself. Me want to see how you are gonna move me.
See me nice daughter gonna turn out to something good.
And the one you should have talked to, you not talk to. You know, say she have sex and you not talk to her about the birds and the bees. Now you come kick me out because she have breed. Me want to see the day name there.
She start to have sex.
I say you me kick her. Me never even know say she have a man.
To me when me come from work one day, come and say you and me always leave here. She hide and watch Blue movie on your phone in the bathroom.
Me have to watch Blue movie on my phone because you now getting me nothing.
Come on, please.
Let me see you put me out. Only picnic you can put out.
Yeah, I don't know right now. Wanna now move?
A picnic you put out.
Stay here till me go back.
Me think me want to see what you gonna put out, yes sir. Me want to see what you gonna put out, yes sir. Cause all the slave and work.
Mommy.
And all the abuse me take for you and your picnic them.
Who don't the father go back?
Where you go? You really a breed for true?
Come on before you come, mommy. Take up something.
Where you go?
Mommy.
Where you go?
Mommy, yeah.
With belly.
You think I thought? Well,
Court and please.
Chop me now. Chop me now. Your name chop. Me working at this. Me working at this. Me working at this and raise them. Me working at this and raise them. Put me out. Half of this bumble of mine.
Court and please.
Half of this bumble of mine, you know. Are you breeder? Little boss, are you breeder? Put down and cool down. Leave what? Leave what? Half of this cloth of mine.